with the machine?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, cool. So let's do this. Where's that CD?
It's behind you on the chair, in the box.
In the box.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, so we got a CD drive right behind you. What am I going to do with the cable here? See, this is just a little $20 adapter. Now there's our cable. Plug this into the new machine. Oh, I'm going to have to use an adapter because it doesn't even have.
USB-C.
You need the back of it?
No.
It's got USB-C, so I need my adapter that goes to USB from A to C.
Nope. Yeah, I had to buy one of those.
A, B,
Yeah.
C, D, E.
Yeah, I don't blame people for getting lost. So let's see the CD drive. These are $20 if you really needed it all the time. Hi, this is Chris.
Hello. Chris Sobrino.
Hi, this is Chris.
Hi. Is this South Bay Tech Brewery?
Yes, it is.
I've been meaning to call you about my bill, and I was just driving down PCH and I saw your truck or car with the logo on it.
Yes.
Thanks for the reminder.
You're welcome.
I'm 99% sure I need to replace the power, port on my Dell. I think it's an Inspiron, if I remember correctly.
Okay.
Something in your ballpark.
Okay.
Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay. Oh, I was asking about, I'm pretty sure I need to replace the port in my Dell computer, but the power port.
Yeah, okay. Well, I would need to.
You guys could do.
Yeah, I could talk to you for free in person. I need to get my eyes on it to see if that's possible. I need to make sure I can get the part and see how it's damaged to make sure that's not the only problem.
Okay, yeah, I figured that. I just wanted to make sure that was something in your wheelhouse. So, you have an office in Redondo or
Yeah,
Manhattan or both?
No, I got rid of the Manhattan shop. It's 713 South PCH is the address.
Okay, that's where I just drove by.
Yeah.
I live over near. Okay, let me call you back. I'm driving right now, and I'll put up the time to come in.
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Quicken requires Microsoft Framework 2
Oh,
in order
they want
to
us to download something. Yeah, I guess you can sit over there
Yeah, I'm
for
fine.
now
I'm fine.
because we're only working on the one machine. No, what I'm hoping, okay, 2013. I'm not sure if 2013 is going to run with Windows 11. You got the new Windows, it's only been around for about a
Oh,
year. So we
great.
might end up having to buy the new version anyway.
Okay.
So unfortunately, what it's doing is giving us a weird error, implying that we need downloaded updates, but you got the latest and greatest Windows. Quicken requires Microsoft.NET Framework 2. That's already built into Windows. So unfortunately, I think we're going to have to move up. 2013 is a while ago,
Yes, it is.
so we're going to end up having to buy a new copy.
Okay.
It will be backward compatible. You will be able to read your old content.
Oh, good.
So-
And our bookkeeper can
Right.
take a thumb drive
Yes.
and run it on hers.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So let's just do this. Let's go ahead and unfortunately we're just going to have to buy a new copy.
Okay.
That's unfortunate.
They want my credit card.
Yes, you're online.
Can you get me my...
Uh-huh.
Intuit.com.
I just need the black thing that's in there.
Let's see here. We want to do,
Quicken.
why do we have TurboTax, Credit Karma, Mint, QuickBooks, MailChimp? Where's Quicken? Let's see here.
Thank you.
Quicken. There we are.
Okay.
I don't know. I guess if you give them their email, they're saying you can get 40% off.
Okay.
Okay, give it your email. I'm going to drag one of those chairs over here.
No, I'm fine.
All right. Okay. I just feel bad being the one sitting
No,
and you're
no,
not.
that's fine.
Got it.
Claim 40% offer.
Yeah. Did you left click? Good. Continue shopping. Oh, apply to discount. Good. So now go to buy Quicken, the red button up on the right. Good. So now we got to figure out what you need. Is this for retirement or is it for active work or is
Active work.
it? Okay. So I don't know if the starter is going to be enough.
Home and business.
Okay. So I guess they want you to, again, they want us to do the subscription, so you're gonna end up spending $6 every month instead of, well, the old way of doing things, it was $50.
Well,
for
do they
one.
automatically charge
Yeah.
a Mountain Dew?
So that's for the year? Let's
That's
see
for the
here.
year, I'll do the year.
Yeah, let's just do it. All right.
So how do they know I'm at that?
They're gonna, well, they've discounted us based on the email
Okay.
we just gave them.
All right, pay with credit card, yes. Card number.
Yeah.
Okay, 440066.
I had one of these, but I.
Yeah, they're $20 if you end up needing one.
7.
But these days everything's downloadable.
Three.
So this is just a CD drive for a machine that doesn't have one,
Okay.
or one that where one fails.
Okay. And month year. Okay. 02 26.
Her old Dell
Yeah.
computer
Right.
had an Ethernet port
Yeah.
that I hooked the Wi-Fi
Yeah.
up to. This
Name
doesn't.
So again, this adapter I'm using for USB also has Ethernet.
Oh, don't go away. I want my name on
It's
top.
alright, you accidentally touched it. There you go. You accidentally. So
See, the one I got, I don't
Yeah.
think has Ethernet.
you just have to, yeah, if you're not a techie, you wouldn't necessarily know what to ask for or look
Yeah.
for. So this
Okay.
particular adapter has USB-A, USB-C,
Wow.
camera memory, and Ethernet,
Wow.
and HDMI. So if I wanted to plug into an external monitor,
Oh. Okay. Wow.
Okay, I've never used Quicken before. I have used Quicken before.
yes. Submit order.
Smarter.
I don't know if you clicked properly. There we go. Oh, they need your email.
That's
That's weird.
Look at it.
Yep. Okay. We're going to use the iCloud email?
Yes.
Good.
Okay.
So let's see what's wrong. Okay, good. We can save that. How's it going to go?
Your order is being
Good.
processed.
So now we should be able to download it. Okay, give it your cell phone number. I guess this is going to be for password resets.
310.
So we want a cell phone number that's textable.
528 7412.
Give it a password.
My Quicken password.
Yeah, I'm thinking we're creating one.
I'm going to use my old one
Okay, try it.
because it.
We don't know if this
Well-
email is tied to that account or whatever. We'll find out real quick.
Well, this passcode has been my passcode just to get in the
Right.
computer.
Yeah,
So now I would need a passcode just to get into Quicken.
right.
Okay. Where are you?
Let's see here.
Create account.
Good. Oh, that worked. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm on YouTube, so I'm going to write it down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna turn the air
Draw-
conditioner
draw a
on.
line
Just a second.
under that, and then put down Quicken in your
I got it.
password.
All right.
Okay.
So now, now we got to go check that iCloud account. Do you have your iCloud email set up on your phone? See, they
Couldn't
sent.
tell you.
So, do you have your phone with you?
Yes.
Do you read
It's
your
in my
mail?
purse.
Do you read your phone on your email on your phone?
Mhm.
Good. So what they did is they sent a code to that iCloud email
Oh, okay.
for confirmation.
It's in the next pocket, Tom.
Got it.
There we are. Good. You got a modern phone.
Uh,
Check your email. Yes. Quick, and there we go. Oh, that's just asking for one. Yeah, all this. Hurry up.
okay.
Good.
56827.
Good.
270.
Good.
Submit.
Submit. Good. Download for Windows. Good. It's going to download right here. You can get rid of this, or you can save
Okay.
if you want the computer to save the password, it will.
Yes, I
Good.
do.
Okay.
Well, I don't know what happened.
It's
there.
all right. Don't worry about it. You're getting used to this. This touchpad is huge.
It is huge.
Yeah. Yeah. It's easy to bump. So your left click is literally the left side, and then your right click is the other half. So there we go. Your download's going.
Okay.
It's that circle there.
And when it fills out,
And then we're going to, so we downloaded it. That's how this works. A lot of people get frustrated or confused because they don't realize just downloading it, it still needs the install needs to happen. So now we're going to go install. And now, once this is done, then we'll be able to read your content. Now, worst case scenario, we'll have to fire up that old HP, and hopefully we don't have to go that far, because that drive was failing and wasn't able to give us
Yes.
all the data. Although I did notice your cloud account was turned on with Microsoft.
oh,
Oh.
interesting.
Yeah, so I was able to retrieve I don't know if you noticed some things just kind of fell into this machine.
Well, no, I didn't realize
Okay.
it.
My point, this here, this
Oh.
is your, this is, so these things
Oh,
here.
yes.
We logged in your Microsoft account and this stuff all just showed up. Is this document folder also where your where did you keep your Quicken?
I kept it, and it was all on the side.
On the side where? Like on the
Like right
desktop?
along here?
On the desktop?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, well that's, yeah, so what is all this stuff here?
Those are escrow things.
Okay, so, yeah, I didn't see, we're gonna end up having to turn the HP on because we don't have any desktop content. It looked like you had some photos which I was able to get, and that's the bulk of what I was able to get. So now it's gonna say, where's your file? You don't ever save to a USB stick or a hard drive, do you?
Yes, I
Yes.
do.
Where did you
Well, my
bring it?
bookkeeper does. No, I didn't.
Okay, do you just have one file?
On Quicken?
Is there a chance that you can call her and have her email it to us? Just to
That-
make sure. Well, I mean, she's your bookkeeper.
Yes, but how can she email it? I don't know. I don't know what you mean by that.
Okay, so the file that we're looking for is either on a failed drive from the HP. Let's hope we don't have to go that route because there's a chance that it's not going to give it up. But if your bookkeeper has a live copy of it, she can send you a duplicate.
Oh, a live copy.
Yeah, or a very up-to-date copy.
Well, she only has that stick.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
We do. I mean, if it's only several days out of date, that's not a big deal, right?
Right.
Or a couple weeks,
And
maybe.
she was just there.
Good. Just
Don't
tell
worry,
her.
yeah.
Tell her we were dealing with me.
I'm going to
we-
have you talk to
All
her
right.
because I don't understand
Yeah,
the language.
that's why I'm here. Right. Good.
Okay.
We can take this out now. Huh?
Oh yeah, we're done with this. In fact, I think I forgot to unplug it. Yeah. So technically, this might work on an older computer, but it gives us errors on Windows 11. So there might be some sort of workaround, but we're not going to waste time.
No.
Yeah.
Hey, Joe.
Hey, Laura. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you? Are you busy?
Yeah, I got somebody at the door. Can I give you a call back?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
Bye.
All right. So software is physically installed. So really, all we need to do is have her send us what we need. Word is installed. I think we installed Word. Let's see here. Oh yeah, here's Outlook. There. Oh, that's right. We were going to do your email. Do you use Outlook?
I don't know Outlook.
Okay, so Outlook's a software that comes with Windows. I'm sorry, Office. So that if you want to read your mail that way, you could. And I think we got stuck there because we didn't have passwords correct. So for your iCloud, we can set that up now if you want. I don't know how you normally check your mail.
Well, I usually check my mail on
You
here
don't bother
or
on
my
the computer?
because it's too hard to find.
Okay, so we can
Yeah.
set that up now, but the thing is we're going to need your password. And at some point you knew the password because you had to have put it in the phone.
Password for.
Your iCloud and your Cox.
Well, Tom would have put that in.
All right.
Okay, let's try that again.
Okay, let's just try it.
Okay, so we're looking for password
For iCloud.
Yeah.
iCloud.
Yeah, because I think we got stuck trying to help her that route.
Right. Okay, what I have.
Okay, don't
for-
say it out loud. Let's see here.
Why?
We'll try that.
Okay.
Okay, so that's what we're gonna try this in a second. Right there,
This one?
No. That.
right there.
Oh, okay.
So let's just so that's for iCloud. Let's try this. Go ahead and type that right there.
Okay, and the caps are mandatory?
If that's what you did, yes. And then you can hit that eyeball icon at the end to see if you
Yes.
literally want to see
Yeah.
if you made a mistake or not.
And hit here?
Yeah.
Connect.
Yeah, well, if you want to confirm you didn't type something wrong, left click that eyeball. Yep, you got it. Well, I'll show you. There you go. No, okay, so no. Oh, good. I'm glad we saw that because that's not your password, right? No, you typed your whole email. And
No, that was what it says.
okay, but see, it looks like you accidentally typed your email also. Just type the
But look,
Just,
Oh, that's your whole password?
Yeah.
no,
yes.
no, no.
Yeah, the email.
Yeah, this is your,
That's your whole email and
Right.
password, or is
no,
it?
the password is just that part.
Got it. Yeah, that's
But
what I
that's to
thought.
identify
Okay.
which
Got it.
password.
Got it.
okay.
It's all right. Hold on, you're not typing.
Oh,
There. Yeah, I got a little confused when I saw how long that was. Good. Good. So now hit connect. Let's see if this works. So only to go. Okay, so it didn't like that. Yeah. Let's try this. Let's go to iCloud.com and make sure Outlook's not part of the problem. Go ahead and type into that. Just type your email there.
just my email.
Well, let's see if you can log in.
Okay.
Go ahead and type that same password right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Happy to-
Okay, it didn't like that password.
Jeez.
Okay, so mail login. Try it one more time.
Same thing?
Yeah, first type the email.
Oh, okay.
That's all right, yep. And then go ahead and hit that arrow. And then go ahead and type what we consider the correct password.
The same
Oh,
thing?
wait a minute.
What?
I've got another iCloud here.
Oh, you got two references, all right.
Yeah, somehow.
Okay.
Try that one.
We're going to have to start dating them.
Yeah. Well,
Great.
I also recommend a proper email, a proper password manager. Okay, that didn't work. It didn't work either. So we're going to end up having to reset that.
Okay.
So go ahead and type that email again.
Oh, the email.
Yes, first. So you see where it says Apple ID? That's actually your your iCloud email. Not everyone uses their Apple ID as the email they use to communicate with people. So yeah, do the yep, there you go. And then type these characters. It looks like an AXV3.
I missed the B. 3.
There
Okay.
you go. Hit continue. Oh, you accidentally did new code. You're gonna have to type that code again. So that we don't do new code because we don't know what this character is. That might be a
Okay.
J. Yeah.
New code.
No, let me see. Okay.
New code.
You're accidentally left-hand right-clicking. There. Oh,
Okay.
we're trying to find one that works. Good.
There, that one's
There. EW.
good. EWR
Yep.
LC.
Yeah. Okay, let's.
I'm not getting this
Good.
click
What's
thing.
your type your full phone number? Is it that right there?
Yes.
Good. Good. Okay, good. Password reset. Type your
Oh,
swipe. Good. Hit allow. Good. So we just used your phone to confirm. type it again.
Type my phone number again.
The passcode to use. Yeah, the 6 or 4 digits you use to get into the phone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hit done. Good. Now create a new password.
Create a new password, and this is for.
iCloud.
Okay.
For iCloud.
Yeah. I know it's frustrating. They just cajoled us onto a different device without telling us we were going to need your phone to reset your password. I love how the way they do that. That gets frustrating.
So this would be like for
Okay,
her.
let me write it down.
Well, let's
Hold-
confirm
hold
we
on.
got it correct. Go ahead and do it again
Oh,
to verify it. Let's make sure we have a working password before we record it.
and then next.
Yes.
Your password must be at least
Oh.
8 characters,
Oh, so-
include a number, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. I did.
Okay, try it again. Maybe you mistyped something between the two. It's thinking. Hold on, give it a second. The phone is hanging up. It's busy.
Want me to write it down?
Yes.
And this
Put a
is
date
for
next.
what?
The iCloud. It's your email, but it's also your iCloud account for your phone.
So it's the iCloud password for everything that's iCloud. Is that right?
Correct. Okay, let's just do this here. We're gonna have to go. You have a lot of Apple devices here. Let's see. We're gonna have to go through passwords and security. We're just gonna use the phone. We're gonna bypass. Oh wait. Okay, this is why this gets confusing. All right. Okay. Your Cox email. You have 2 iCloud accounts.
I can't get rid of that Cox.
Right.
I don't know how to get rid of it.
Got it. Okay, so that's why this gets confusing. All right, you have 2 iCloud accounts. Your that's a different. That's why we got. That's why it got hung up. All right.
Okay.
So you have 2 iCloud accounts. Let's see here. You check your mail with the iCloud email,
I do.
right?
I do. Oh, there's Joe.
Go ahead and have her conversation. Yeah.
Hi, Joe. Thanks for calling back. I'm trying to get it on speaker.
Right here. Click that. There we go.
Speaker.
There we go.
We're at Chris's, and he needs. We can't load Quicken.
Well, no, it's loaded. What we don't have is an updated copy of her file because the hard drive in her old computer failed.
Right, I have them all on a thumb drive that I can add.
Yes.
I mean, if you bring me the laptop, I can
Okay,
add the
good,
files.
good, perfect. We got it loaded. Then then we're all already taken care of.
Perfect.
All right, perfect. All right, Laura.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thanks. You sound winded. You
All right.
sound winded.
Yeah, I've been working outside.
Okay.
So, yeah, everything's fine. Well, the electrician that was Mark at the door.
Oh,
He
okay.
was he was calling to, he was coming by to make sure he has all the supplies. We're going to do it Tuesday instead of today.
Okay.
Okay,
Perfect.
perfect. I'll see you later.
Okay, thanks.
bye.
Bye.
Okay, all right.
All right, we got that taken care of. She's
Yes.
on our game. Good. So now let's check. I want to see which emails you have here. Accounts. Okay, so email. Oh wait, email. Mailboxes. Inbox. iCloud. Yeah, you don't even have Cox set up as an email you check on the phone. You just have the iCloud, but it's confusing because your Cox email is tied to the All right.
What?
It's
The
not,
iPad, please.
yeah, let me see the iPad and confirm that's also on the same account.
Right.
Yeah. Let's fire that up and make sure we're not dealing with this. You're not the first with this issue, but Apple.
Oh, here's Quicken Alert.
Yeah,
Okay, I can get rid of that.
you're right.
Okay, iCloud. I've got.
Yeah,
there's
let's go to
Cox.
inbox. It looks like. Oh, so you do have Cox set up on this
Yeah.
on the iPad. Well, let's go here. Go ahead, hit cancel. Go to the home screen and go to settings. I want to see. Oh,
Whoops.
there we go. Go to settings right here, and then Yeah, okay, so you're using your Cox ID for your Cox email as a placeholder for your Apple ID.
And I
but
don't-
we're trying to, yeah,
Yeah.
got it.
I
How
wish
in-
it was out.
Right, well, one of the bigger issues is that you've tied yourself to a Cox email because technically I think you're going to lose email access if you were to cancel that account.
Oh.
You're paying that,
okay.
yeah. So I would always recommend like a Gmail email or one of those free services, even if it's Yahoo. If you tie yourself to a paid account, you might not lose access and they're not going to get tech support and all that fun stuff. So, yeah,
Let's see my pad, please.
let me see if we can go to,
That's because we've got Cox.
well, you have the Cox service.
Yeah.
But they offer email and they're hoping that you're going to just marry them forever.
And
Well, we started out with Cox. As
well,
our email.
it's on my.
Right.
Yes.
So
Is it still on yours?
the confusing thing is
No, I think I've taken it off
I
mine.
don't know how you get it off.
Well, I'm not. No.
it's
Or,
all right.
or I just don't use it. One of the two.
Well, I don't use it either.
Okay, so let's do this. Let's go ahead and try to log into your. Go ahead and go to iCloud.com. We're going to log into your Cox email and see what's going on. So let's do this. Oh, this gets frustrating. Let's go. We're done with the iPad for now. So let's just go to iCloud.com. Go ahead and type your Cox email.
My Cox email.
Yeah.
Now I'm supposed to know that.
Right. I know it gets confusing. So let's go ahead and just see if you know it.
I wouldn't know it.
Okay.
No,
So,
I'm sorry. You're asking for,
For the
a
Cox.
That's why
email
this gets confusing.
password or what?
okay.
So the
So
Cox
she's using the
e-
Cox email
password.
as a placeholder to log
Right.
into her iCloud account.
Okay.
And once we get in there, we might be able to manipulate the login.
Okay. So when
I'm still trying to figure out if she has two iCloud accounts or if she's just logging in
okay.
with the wrong email.
So your Cox email was lauralamping@cox.net. Is that what they're asking you to type or what?
Yeah.
No, they're
Well,
asking
they
for a
want
password.
Okay, now they want a password.
The reason this gets confusing is because the iCloud email is not necessarily the email you communicate with the world with. It's a placeholder that can be any email. And that's why this gets all frustrating. That's why we needed you here rather than...
Mm-hmm. And we have those stickers at home that were on the computer and that could have had it.
How long have you been relying on that iCloud email?
A long time.
Yeah.
Okay, no, I don't have it.
All right. So let's just go ahead.
Because you used really funky stuff
Yeah, I do.
originally, Tom.
That's true. Yeah.
And
Well,
Okay, so we're gonna do the I forgot password. Good.
Okay.
Type your Cox email right here.
my Cox
Yes.
email. Okay.
Yep. I know it's confusing. We're not technically checking your Cox email. We're logging into your
Okay.
Apple account.
That's it right there.
Good. And now type these stupid. Yep.
QQQ6.
Is that what we think that is? All right. Good. You gotta put the cursor there.
Oh, shoot.
It's all right. It's a touchscreen.
QQQ6.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it?
No, don't
Don't do anything.
Don't do new code. You want continue.
Oh, okay.
That's where we got lost the first time.
Yes, you're right.
There. Now type your phone number, which is going to be that because it's saved.
Yep.
Continue. Good. Good. Do the reset password here.
Hit this?
Yes.
Oh,
Good. Good.
okay,
good.
I'm
Good.
in.
Okay. Good. Allow. Good. And now enter your iPhone passcode. The 4 or 6
Okay.
digits. That's me.
Okay, it's there. So, do I hit that with
No,
the key?
Don up here.
Okay.
Good. Now create a new password.
this is for Laura Lamping at
Yes.
Cox.
Yeah. No, this is
Apple.
for Apple ID, but she's using her Cox email, so we can't change anything until we go ahead and create yourself a new password for Apple.
You're
It's
confusing
all right.
me.
Yeah, I know.
All right.
But
so,
Apple doesn't make it clear about how this works.
Okay, so this is the Apple
ID.
ID.
Yes.
So her Apple ID.
Let me write it down.
Let me finish
Let's
this.
do
Let me
done
fin-
and next to make sure it works.
Okay, wait a minute.
Good.
Okay,
Good, that
it
works.
says Apple ID.
Yep.
Is her Apple ID the Cox?
Yes.
So I need to have that here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes. I don't blame anyone for getting frustrated. I have to deal with this all the time. So basically her Cox email is the login for her Apple iCloud account.
Really?
That's why this gets confusing.
Lord.
But she's also using the Apple issued email for main communication.
Okay.
Good.
Has been changed.
Good,
Done.
good. Yes, good. All right, so now let's go ahead and type that Cox.
The one
Right
that
here.
I just put in?
Yeah, the one you just created. Go ahead and type that password right there. Good. Hit that arrow. Yes. Good. Now they're confirming it's us. Yes. Now type those digits. Get rid of this annoying update here. Good. I'm recognizing what's going on. Browser thinks it's doing you a favor by asking for logins.
287. So, okay.
Good. Yes, we trust it. Okay, good. Now we're at least administering the right account.
Okay, look at mail.
Yeah. Got it. All right. There.
All right.
Hold on. Who's this? Hello, this is Chris. Hi, this is Chris. Hello, this is Chris.
Hey, Chris. I'm calling for my PowerPoint.
I'm sorry. You need assistance on using those titles. To well, I don't do lessons per se, but if you have a technical glitch or something, I can help you with that. All right. Well, I'm actually working with someone. Can I call you back in an hour or two? All right. Thank you. Bye. I think she thinks I'm in school.
Okay, now I have a
Yeah.
question.
Yeah.
Because I'm trying to keep this. Give me the
Yeah.
paper.
Can I ask a question first,
Go ahead.
please?
Yeah.
Do I now have the iCloud account and that's passcode and the Apple ID?
It looks like. Go ahead.
Hi, Joe. No
When
problem.
you come by with the Quicken, can I borrow one of those green napkins that we have to save?
Sure, I'll go home and get that first.
Okay, perfect. I appreciate it.
You just
All
need
right.
one?
Yeah, I have 7 people coming,
Oh,
so I
okay.
have 6.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Alrighty. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Can you write that in the notes? I'll forget, Tom. Green napkin
Yes.
before going to Joe's.
Yes.
Got it. Okay, so the way it looks like it's set up is that this iCloud mail is from within that Cox account. You see how that worked? This is your iCloud email, right?
Right.
Yeah. All
Now,
right.
how do I get that up? If
Yeah.
I were to close this.
Right. So
which
we
would
went
be
to
right
iCloud.com, which is how we got here. This is what gets us to this iCloud email inbox. You see how that works?
Well, yes and no.
It's all right. It's okay. Good. Let's try this. Let's go retry.
Not more laughing.
No.
Yes, I am.
Try to retry.
Retry. Oh,
Good.
sorry.
Hold on. It's gonna ask us for the new password. Let's try the new password for Outlook. Good. Let's do change account settings. Okay, we got that. And then go ahead and type the new password right here.
And this was the last password we put in.
The one you just created that got us to your email and
Okay.
iCloud's website. Let's see if this works. Good. Hit the blue button. Yeah. Let's see if this works. Let's see. Drum roll. Okay, so we'll figure this.
Something went wrong.
Yeah, don't worry about it. I'm not sure. I'm not surprised that didn't work. iCloud.com. Oh, your caps lock was on. Could that be part of
Oh,
the
that
problem?
could be part of the problem.
No, did you? Yeah, all right, let's try this again. Let's try this again. Sometimes I wish the caps lock, the whole key would just light up, so it's a little more obvious.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's do change account settings, and then next. Try, yeah, let's see.
Now erase this.
Oh, well,
Oh, it was fine.
it was fine, that was correct.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna have to log into the cloud. Okay, so let's go. All right, so
If I have
setting.
to do this every time
No,
I
you
fill out
won't.
mail,
No,
I will
I-
never
it-
look at it.
Well, what's confusing is your iCloud. Let's go to accounts. So there's your. Okay, good. Good, that's correct. What I'm thinking is there might be a second password for just the email, for this particular email versus the, you see how I mean?
Yes.
So for the Cox, it's a separate thing here. iCloud settings. Okay, so let's go to your email. See, the Cox email is the placeholder. What we want is we don't want to hide any custom email.
Because that's what I put in for, well,
Yeah,
that
I
says
know.
Apple, but I thought it was supposed to be for Cox.
Right. That's why this gets confusing. So we're going to go custom email domain. Let me see if we don't want to do any of that. All right. I'm looking for your iCloud login versus the Cox email. Let's see here. Manage devices, storage. This is not obvious.
Mm-mm.
No, I see. This is why when the two of us get to get in front of this at the same time, everyone gets to see how things happen, and you don't have to feel so bad about not understanding the obvious. Yeah. So, custom email domain, that's not what we want. Okay, so you think account settings, that's already where we are. General, viewing, forwarding mailboxes. Okay, what we're looking for is how to manage. See, you only had to log into.
I'm not sure how that came up.
Yeah. Well, you logged in using your original password that you just reset. So let's do this. Change account settings. No, that's all proper. Next. We're confident that's the password you logged into iCloud.com, right?
Oh, iCloud. This was supposed to be
Yep.
Cox, and this was iCloud.
Okay, iCloud. Type the iCloud password.
Okay.
That's why this is so. You've got two accounts. All right. Hit the connect.
Do it right.
Let's drum roll. Okay.
See?
All right. Yeah, I don't.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
What,
go ahead.
what are they asking for?
They need her email password, but it's not necessarily her iCloud password. But the iCloud. She's got two identifiers with one account, I think. So let's just do this. Let's do control panel. We might end up calling Apple and making them fix this because of how confusing this is. Where's the mail icon? Mail, mail, mail. This one here. We're going to do add mail.
Whoops.
Yep.
Oh, the light's on, yeah.
All right. So, okay, go ahead and type your name. Type it as you want the world to see you, first and last name. Sometimes setting it up this way is more reliable. Outlook has its own glitches.
Email.
Yep.
I
The
can use
iCloud-
the iCloud.
The iCloud email.
Where's my ad on here? There it is.
Number 2, yeah. And then type the password that we just reset.
This one
Yeah.
was the last one.
Yes.
two of them there. I'm gonna back it up. Get out of
Okay.
there. Okay.
So now let's see if this works. Hit the next.
Your passwords do
You
not
must
match.
you must have
Oh.
mistyped one of them.
Do you get a lot of swearing around here?
Yeah, that's all right.
Is there a way that it will show you
No,
what you're typing?
no, that's why I asked you to do it twice. They don't want you to be able to
See.
they don't want someone sitting from behind you and checking out what's up.
Oh, that one looks completely different.
Now you got to deal with this. This is a once a day sort of thing for me.
Yes.
Okay.
Someone's always
Next.
going to have to reset a password.
Ah!
You just did next. It's all right. Let's see if it works.
Tell us
Uh,
the account you want to open.
Hold on. Let's see here. What did we just do?
Have no idea.
Okay, so
I missed the next.
email.
I think.
Let me make sure we're not logging in because it implied they wanted us to do 365. Drum roll.
It's not doing anything.
Give it a second.
Okay.
It's trying something. Until we get an error message, it is working for all intents and purposes. That was weird.
This might take several minutes.
Yeah. Microsoft Outlook has its own weird glitches too, so. But you don't normally check your mail on the full computer anyway. On the HP, you didn't?
No, for the most part, because I found it so hard to get into.
Right, well. It was just, I don't know what configuration you had on there. It looked like the drive was starting to fail, so it was only partially functional.
Well, for a while, I had iCloud loaded on the HP.
Were you using Outlook? Do you know what software you were using?
Yeah, we were on Outlook.
Got it, yeah.
But I went to the internet,
Yeah.
loaded iCloud,
Yeah,
and then we could get her mail by going through the process of going into the iCloud and pulling up mail.
Did you-
Yes, Joe could do it. I couldn't do it. I
Okay.
found it
Let's see
laborious.
let me see if I can fire that machine up so I can
Alright.
visually see what's going on here. Let's see if it gives up any of that. Let me,
Do you want to set it over there? Or?
no, I'm just gonna put it over here. The desk is full. We don't have any more room over there.
Do you want to put this back in my purse, please?
I will.
I'm gonna fire this up and see what the setup was originally.
Is this yours, Tom?
What's that?
Your
No, that's mine. The
No.
computer,
Oh,
that's
okay.
mine.
It looks like yours, Tom. Oh, no, it doesn't. Yours is bigger.
Let's see here. We are good.
I'm looking at all these. It reminds me in the old days when I got permanents and how they had it attached.
Yes.
All right, where's the power button on this thing?
On top.
On top.
I didn't bring the keyboard either.
I don't need that. I don't have extra keyboards in mine, so I got a problem. Yeah. Oh, there's that area you got before, right? Your device.
Yes.
Yeah. So I put the drive back in just so that theoretically, like a day-to-day, like in this particular situation,
Mm-hmm.
we can revisit the system. So let's see. Oh, now it looks like it might boot.
Yeah. Now, no, this is where it's been locking before. It'll
Right.
Scroll, and then the scroll stops.
Got it. Oh, well, we got it.
Yeah, you're getting more activity than I was able to get on.
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay, it came up.
Yeah.
Well, you had it working
That's right.
until we brought it in.
Yeah, and then it came up. So what's your password on this machine? You want to come type it?
Oh, that's right.
It's all right. So if we could see what your setup is.
Cap. Whoops. Backspace. Oh, where was I? What was I going for? I forget.
Here,
Sorry.
it's all right. Oh, it's right. Yep. We're getting there. good. Okay. Oh, it did its own little update. So let's just see how you got your email up here. That's annoying. No, I did an update in the meantime. So
Oh, okay.
go back. No thanks. We don't want. Remind me later. It's trying to get you to log in your Microsoft account.
Exactly.
No, we don't. And of course, okay, so that's. You know what?
Uh-huh.
So you're using your iCloud account for your Microsoft account also?
I don't know.
All right, that's got.
It
what-
just gets in
Got
there
it.
and blah, blah, blah.
Okay, now that tells me something, no. Okay, I'm wondering if you're going to Outlook.com instead of the Outlook software. Got it. Let's see if this works. Let's hit cancel. Cancel. Oh, no, cancel. Good, I think I see what's going on. Microsoft thinks they're doing us a favor too, so let's go to let's go to Outlook.com. Type it right there.
Type what?
Outlook.com.
Oh,
Yeah. So
Okay.
you might not have been using the software that you paid for and installed. You might have been going to Microsoft.com. Good. Yes. Enter. Go. Yes.
enter.
Yep. All right. Hi. How are you? How's it going? Yeah, you can come in. Go ahead and try to sign in right there with your iCloud email.
Oops, it went away.
It's all right. It's all right. I bumped you. Okay, go back to iCloud.com. There. Sign in.
Sign in.
Sign in. Alrighty. How's it going?
Doing great. How are you?
What's up?
So I just got these headphones.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
the
It's
switch is
inbox.
stuck to where.
That's a little
So
beyond the
basically-
scope of what I
Oh,
did.
okay. Yes.
I don't know.
Oh, just
I don't know what's
okay.
happening now.
Sorry.
No worries. I appreciate
Sure,
it.
I'm not sure who I could send you to
Don't
either.
touch it.
Okay, I got
Sorry.
you. I appreciate it. Have a good
Yeah.
one.
Good.
She's,
there you go.
she's asking us for something here.
No, we don't need that. Good. Not now. Okay, so let's see. You were able to log in. Good.
I didn't do a thing.
Well,
it
you're
just
logged
came
in.
up.
You're logged in. Okay, so let's see here. Inbox. It's empty. So you have a Microsoft account you were able to log into, but we don't have any emails. So
See, I think this happened to me before, and I'm like, of course I've got emails.
let's see here. Well, you have a Microsoft account. Got it. And you were able to log in with your iCloud account. And it looks like not now, other. Okay, yeah, so you're not actually using, okay, so that's not actually what's there. Okay, that's the Microsoft account. That's not what we want. Can you sign in over here, please? Again,
Sure.
with that same password.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so believe it or not, this is sort of a common issue. You've got multiple
I'm
accounts. with
fighting
multiple-
each other now.
Yeah, so I'll
I
try.
didn't put any of this in
Can you
there.
type your password?
Tom did.
Can you type your password again?
Sure.
It didn't take it.
Blame me.
Well, it's the truth.
Oh, you know what? Let's try. Please enter because you're. Hold on, let me try something here. I think because we're not online.
Oh,
Here, now try it. Okay, we know you know it because you just typed it over there. Is this caps lock on? We don't know. Here, try it. Caps lock is off. Why is this not working? I just did it. You signed in over there.
I didn't sign in at all. It just came up.
That's really weird. Hold on. Okay, let's sign out and sign out. Let's go to Outlook.com again. That's weird. You swear you didn't type a password, huh?
I swear, because it never came up for a password.
Okay, can you? Okay, we're gonna do iCloud. Next, personal account. Okay, go ahead and try to log in right here.
Okay, the old one or one of
I
these?
don't know what you got in. That's confusing. I don't know how it got you logged in. That was weird.
Okay,
Go ahead and try
Microsoft.
it. Yep.
okay, that,
Yeah. Okay,
your
so
account
we
password is incorrect. If you don't remember your password, reset it.
go
now.
ahead and do. We're just gonna go through the motions of resetting passwords. Go ahead and hit get
That's
code.
good.
Oh,
Whoops, no.
Yeah, that's fine. So go
Whoops.
check your iCloud account email password. I don't. Yeah.
It's, okay,
Go
it's gonna
just
be,
check your mail. We should have an email right now from Microsoft. Good. This.
yes,
Good. Now type that code.
enter code.
Yeah.
593. Whoops.
We're making progress.
I'm glad you think so.
Well, I understand why everyone gets frustrated because you get all these placeholders to log into other accounts. Good. Now create a password
Okay.
Now,
from Microsoft.
This is a password for Microsoft.
Yeah, because we want to get into this computer over here so I can see what our original setup was.
Okay, so this is going to be for Microsoft.
Okay, next.
Oh, you mean tab to the next line?
Okay,
There you go.
that's new.
Got it.
Okay.
Now hit the blue next. Yep. Good. And-
Save password.
Sure. Maybe later. Sign in. Sign in one more time. So type your Cox email.
So,
Cox
I'm sorry. iCloud.
iCloud.
Yes.
okay, so under Microsoft,
Yes.
is her iCloud, is her
Yes. Her place,
login?
it's called her placeholder. Which
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
There you go. It's right there. Just
Okay.
touch that. Good. And then that password you just now changed. It's a personal account. Now type that password.
At iCloud, right?
Right.
Sign in. Oh, sign
Yeah,
in?
you're good. You're,
Okay.
no, we don't need that. Good. Okay. Okay. Don't show that again. Okay. So again, you're not using any. Go ahead. Sign in
Okay.
right here now.
So this is your password you just created, right?
Yes, for Microsoft.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead and type that password right here. Nope, I gotta plug this. Has got to be plugged in because it's not online.
Oh, okay.
Because it's a cloud account. Oh, good. Yeah, that works. Good. So now, hopefully, good. So now let's see how you check your mail over here. Let's click in.
I think if you hit the Windows thing,
Yeah.
there's the mail scrolls now.
Well, see, I never knew.
Let's see if you were using the Outlook software. Okay. Close. Show me how you would have normally checked your mail.
I think
Oh, there's a software right here.
so.
Okay. It's trying to load. Yeah, that's why you get, okay. Go ahead and type your cloud password right there, your iCloud password.
I have to see the
All right.
cloud password.
We're
'Cause
making
now it's
progress.
brand new.
Oh, yeah, Outlook came up.
Wait,
Can I look
iCloud?
at that page?
Here.
We're making progress. Good.
iCloud account for phone.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Hold on, let me put the cursor there. Go ahead. Good, sign in. Okay, so let's see. That's a data file, iCloud accounts. Okay, iCloud. Good, so let's go see these settings here. Account settings. Then there's, good, so it's an IMAP. File, email, change. We're gonna go mail, that's easier. Search, no, let's do search here. Type control panel for me.
Control.
Yep,
Control P.
control, yeah, just type the word control.
Oh. No caps.
Correct, good, stop.
Okay.
Go, we're gonna look for mail. We got email accounts, and and then where you go, change, and now good. Okay, so those are the settings for Outlook. Let's make sure it's an actual work. Oh, so what it's telling us is that password's not even work. When's the last time the mail worked on this machine?
I don't know.
So we don't even know. Okay, so
Probably that I know of 6 months ago.
got it. Okay, so now that complicates thing. I was hoping in a perfect environment that it would just start working and then we can go from there. So it looks like at some point 6 months ago, it was working. So go ahead and try your Apple password here.
Apple iCloud.
Yes.
iCloud. Okay.
Let's go ahead and see if we can get this going here. And it looks like it's got a ridiculous number of characters in your password field here.
Oh, that would be Tom's password then.
It's alright. Try it. Here, try your new. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so that's not working. So. Hi, this is Chris. Hi, this is Chris. All right. Sure. Right. Yeah. If you want to come by later today, like after lunch, I should be available. I'll talk to you for free in just a few minutes, and then figure out what's going on from there. But I can't properly diagnose it over the phone, and usually I can figure out what's going on in 5 minutes or less. Yeah. Well, if you want me to, yeah, $100 for a data transfer if the machine is able to give me up the data. Yes. 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Thank you. Bye. All right. Okay, so we don't have access to your iCloud email since we don't know the last time. What we can do is call Apple and see if they can help us reset that because that's such an ambiguous. Let's see, what's the last email you got here? 1923 March 4.
I've seen them more recently than that because they have been pulled up, and I don't think it's been 6 months.
All right.
But
Yeah, so it looks
whatever.
like March 21 is the last email on this computer. Okay, so let's.
I think that's when the hard drive started to fail.
no, I've had them since
Oh,
then.
okay.
All right. Well, we don't
I've
have
even had them up to current.
Oh,
March email. It seems to be the most accurate. So. Oh, it's 365.
I've just never known how to get there. And it's
Right. So right now we just have a working email on your phone. Can we-
phone and iPad.
Can we check that it works on your phone?
The email?
Yeah. I guess we know it's been working here.
Can you hand me
Yeah.
my email?
Here, there you go. Go ahead. Frustrating.
Email.
We know it's been working because you've been able to receive.
Yeah,
So
very
let's
good.
just send me a test message and make sure your send works. .com, that's me, so we're just sending me test. Okay, that
Yeah, you
sounds,
got it.
well,
Maybe.
yeah, let's make sure. Yeah, I got it, good. So your email is working.
Mm-hmm. And it works on the iPad as well.
Yeah,
and
That's-
your MacBook Air.
yeah.
On my MacBook Air. Maybe that's where I think I just saw it recently.
Oh, I think
Well,
that's
let's settings, passwords.
If it wasn't for
Here,
Quicken, I don't
can
even
you
need
log
this.
in there?
Sure.
That's why this
It's
is.
not recognized. Try face again. We're open.
Good. All right. Autofill passwords, no security. Settings, mail, accounts. You only have the one iCloud email.
Yes.
That is passwords and security. You know what we can try to do? Let's do this. Go ahead and change your password in the phone so we can't
To
screw
the
up.
new one that I just did?
Yes.
And that's for
Yeah.
Apple ID.
Yes.
Okay.
Make it to
Apple
this-
ID,
yeah.
this one.
Yeah, where it says change Yeah, go ahead.
Mhm. Come on.
Go. There we go. Enter iPhone passcode.
I was going for this one.
Here, why don't you sit over there? That way.
Okay.
We'll sit there. Now I think we're gonna do this. Yeah.
It's this one, right?
Yes.
This one says phone though.
It, are these this? Apple ID and what's this called? What are we calling it yet?
This was iCloud account for phone,
Yeah, that's fine. Just make it that.
but then it went away.
And no, it wants you to type your
Cancel?
That's just cancel so we can figure out where we are. Okay, change password,
Okay.
and then
Okay.
yep, type your 6. You got to type your 6 digits for the phone to get in. No,
Well,
just
I don't know what you mean.
Let's see here. Oh, that's so annoying. Okay, there. There was a
Okay.
glitch. They didn't show up the field to type.
And this is the one I want.
Yes. It's all right.
Okay, but I'm going to keep interrupting
Yeah.
because I'm the one that has
Okay,
to.
now.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
It must be this. The 6 digits that you type to get into the phone is what it's needing.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Did you type the 6? Okay, the
Yeah.
6 digits. Click the
Yes.
done up there. No, when you first pick up the phone, what are those 6 digits?
That's what I just typed in.
That's. Try it again. No. You're typing a password. There's a number. When you log. Oh, that's my face. You know the 6 digits with the numbers.
The numbers.
Yeah.
Yes.
You don't have the 4 digit.
I think it's 38, 15, 41 or something like
Let me
that.
see something here.
I don't know about anything about the 6-digit, just numbers.
Swipe up or enter. Yeah, this passcode there.
Swipe up. Okay.
That passcode.
That's what I've been putting in.
Oh, you have? All right. Done.
Done. Okay.
Okay, good. Now, good. There we go.
Now what?
This password here.
Okay. Are we frustrating you
No.
completely yet?
No. You, like I said, you guys are
Okay, then verify.
among others. It's frustrating because I think I could have done better than these engineers.
I think you could too.
Yeah.
Okay, now that's
It
changed.
changed, yes.
Sign out other devices.
yep.
So sign out
Yep.
other devices.
Good. Good.
And explain what that means.
So now we're going to go back to Outlook.com and get this email going.
Okay, have
Yeah.
you changed the password?
Yes.
Okay, which one? I'm the one that has to keep
Yeah,
track
well,
of
let's
this.
make sure everything's working before we
Okay.
start trying to remember everything. That's all right. I promise I'll be able to articulate what's up. So type Outlook.
Okay.
All right, hold
Okay.
on. I don't know why that takes so long, but here we go.
We've got to twirl and twirl and twirl.
Yeah,
if it was
until we get-
Serena twirling, that'd be fine. If
Yeah,
it's this
right.
stupid thing,
Right. It's all right. We're making progress. I had to figure out how Apple was handling that. They wanted us to change the password on the phone for just your email, not necessarily. Okay, good. So there we go.
Connect.
Good. Type that password you just created. You changed. Yes. You typed this one, right?
Yes.
Go ahead.
I am. Okay.
Hit the connect.
Come on, Serena.
Yeah, right. Okay, hold on. Let's do this. We're gonna do it back here. How's this? How's it going? We're working. Let's see here. Let's do mail.
I'm gonna move this right here.
All right.
Turn it off. How
Hi.
you doing?
Go ahead and type your name there.
What's that?
No, it's all right. We're working.
Oh.
Type the
Email,
email.
no?
Yep.
The iCloud.
Yep.
So sensitive.
Yeah, it's a different keyboard.
Tap, tap, tap.
Okay, type the new password.
Come on. Come on. Okay, that's
Okay,
done.
let's see if this works. No, the way that's why this gets confusing. Okay, go ahead.
Oh, come on.
It's all right. Personal account. Type your Microsoft password.
Okay, that's this one.
Yep.
Sign in.
Drum roll.
It's not moving.
Yeah.
Searching. Searching for your mail server settings. I don't see Serena twirling.
Yeah, I know this is Outlook. Give it a second.
Did you say who's in second?
No.
Yep. Who's on first?
That's exactly what I thought of when he said that.
Outlook
There's
is
that noise again.
It doesn't look like it's connecting at all, does it?
no. Give it a second. Let's do this. Let's go to inbox. That's why this is so confusing. Let's go here. Microsoft account.
That came up Cox.
Yeah, I know. Oh, wait. What? No, that. Yeah, no, we're good. That's why it's
Okay.
confusing. All right. See, iCloud. Okay, 365 family. That's
And I know that I've got 365 in there.
right. That's what this login is. But what we want is that's why I was trying to compare how you had things set up over there, but it's not a working setup. Let's call Apple.
And answer immediate.
Yeah, right.
They're usually pretty good.
No, we're gonna have them help us with this because I don't know why we're having so much trouble with a password reset. My Apple. Where is it? There we go. Okay, so we're gonna get them on the phone and we're gonna fix this.
Welcome to Apple. Calls are recorded for evaluation, to train personnel, and to improve contact center technologies. I'm an automated system that can handle complete sentences. So tell me, how can I help you today?
Password reset.
I can send you a link where you can look up your account information or reset your password. Once you're there, just follow the on-screen instructions. Would you like me to send that link to you via SMS text message?
No, agent.
Okay, I'll get you right over to our technical support department.
So, you see, I think we all understand that your login is your Cox
Support.
email,
Calls are
but
recorded
you
for
use your
evaluation
iCloud
to train
email
personnel
to check
and improve
mail.
Contact center technologies.
So we're going to have them help
To
us.
securely verify
Okay.
your identity, I'd like to send a consent notification to your Apple devices. Do I have your permission to...
We need to call from you because they're going to,
Go to you.
yeah, they're already trying to marry us there. Go ahead and type your password there. Do it with the phone. Give it your face.
It's open.
Good. We'll just dial for Apple. It's so frustrating. So that phone number is 1-800-MY-APPLE. What is that in numbers here?
I know it.
9. What is it? What is 1-800-MY-APPLE? What is that in the 1-800-MY-APPLE?
2.
There.
Yeah.
Okay.
Welcome to Apple. Calls are recorded for evaluation to train personnel and to improve contact center technologies. I'm an automated system that can handle complete sentences. So tell me, how can I help you today?
Password reset.
I can send you a link where you can look up your account information or reset your password. Once you're there, just follow the on-screen instructions. Would you like me to send that link to you via SMS text message?
No, agent.
Okay, I'll get you right over to our technical support department.
There's no reason this should be so annoying.
Apple support. Calls are recorded for evaluation to train personnel and improve contact center technologies. To securely verify your identity, I'd like to send a consent notification to your Apple devices. Do I have your permission to do that?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I've sent the message. If you're calling about charges on your account, say billing. Otherwise, what Apple product or service are you calling about?
iCloud.
Was that iCloud?
Yes.
Yes or no? Are you having trouble logging into or accessing iCloud?
Yes.
Okay, I'll get you to an advisor for help. By the way, for privacy reasons, Apple support can't reset your password. But if you're having trouble logging into your iCloud, you can reset it yourself on our website. If you like, before transferring you, I can send you a message with a link. Carrier rates may apply. Say, send me the message, or to speak to someone without requesting it.
No,
Just
but
stay on the
don't.
line.
Message. Because we reset it. It's all right.
Oh. Okay, so
Was
you put
that
your
send
password
me the
in.
message?
No, agent.
Which one?
I don't
I
know.
didn't get that. Did you say
Agent.
send me the message?
Agent.
That
Apple
says
ID?
Apple. That says Cox.
Agent.
No, but this says Apple ID.
Okay, I need this.
Okay. Let me
think
get
it's
someone to
that.
help you.
Try it.
Apple's limited warranty is in addition to your rights as a consumer. To learn more, visit apple.com/legal. Thank you for contacting Apple support. Please hold for an Apple advisor. Apple is happy to offer a choice of music while you wait. For a selection of modern popular music, press 1. For classical, 2. For jazz, 3. If you prefer to wait in silence, press 4.
See, we didn't write anything down there.
We're gonna make them fix this.
Okay.
Okay, but she's trying to get
Yeah,
into
it's the
Okay.
same account.
Okay.
Okay, type this number here, 994.
I'm sorry.
It's all right.
994
Mm-hmm.
497. Didn't get it.
Good. There it goes. Because we reset the password, it kicked you out of the account. That's all. Good.
Welcome back. Sorry. Here we go. Quick alert. You've set up an account with this.
Yes. We did the Quicken login.
Okay. So I can leave that alone.
Yes. Let's get rid of this. Can you? Okay, can you type your Microsoft account right here? I know it says iCloud, but go ahead and type your,
Oh,
your
okay.
365 basically.
Whoops, I hit shift instead of enter, but there we go.
Give it a second. Well, that's all right. Let's do change account settings. Do retry. I think you might have mistyped it. Your 365, your this password
This
here.
one, yes. That's what I typed it in, then I hit shift instead.
Right. Hold on. Let's go retry. Should be prompting us for an email. Change account settings. Next. Okay, type that password. That's the Microsoft password right there.
Mhm,
All right. Connect. Okay, let's confirm we have the password correct. Can we? We're going to sign out right here. Sign out.
Well, when I just went to get my messages, I used all these and then ended up here.
Okay, well let's. Okay, so there's your sign in right there. Type in. I can't see it. Go ahead and just type it. Type the login for that Microsoft account.
Enter.
Okay, so we know that. Okay, so there's a glitch. Okay, good. Change account settings. Good, I needed to confirm that was correct. That's the correct password, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to restart the computer. I'm going to bet that this works because Microsoft Outlook can be glitchy. That's a lie. We're going to reset the computer.
All Apple advisors are still busy.
Yeah, we know.
Works.
Please continue to hold for the next available advisor.
All right.
Goodbye.
You didn't have
Yeah, right.
anything else you wanted to do today, did you?
No, I'll get this going. You're the only house
Oh,
call.
here it
Well,
comes.
the only. Yeah, you. This is sort of a common thing because it's so easy to accidentally have more than one account. I've had people have multiple iCloud accounts and not realizing it, and just or devices and signed into the wrong accounts. Okay, good. So now let's do here. Let's try this again. It's a lie. Connect. Go ahead and type that password again.
That little short one.
Yeah. I'm surprised that short one works. This is the 365 login, basically. This should be working. Can we do this? Sign in your 365 account right here. Go ahead and type that 365 account right there. Yeah, see, that's why Outlook is driving me nuts. Your 360, oh my god, that's so confusing. All right. Oh, look, you're driving me nuts.
Got somebody at the door.
Yeah, I see that.
Let's see who it is. Oh. There's a package.
Okay, yeah, somebody's coming up.
Okay, go ahead and type in your information.
First the email.
Yes.
And use iCloud.
Yep.
Oh, shoot.
So we're going to do the Microsoft information.
At.
Oh, no, type the email down there.
Oh,
Apple
shoot.
Support. My name is Deontay. Who do I have the pleasure of talking to today?
Go ahead.
Say hello,
Laura.
Hi, Laura Lamping.
Okay, Laura. What seems to be going on today?
We're having trouble. Okay, so basically, here's the. My name is Chris, and I'm her IT guy. We're trying to reset her email, but it sounds like her email is her Cox email, and what we're trying to do is reset her iCloud email, which she actually uses to communicate with people. Is it my understanding that when we reset her main iCloud email password, that it resets the same password for any emails inside the account?
No.
Right, and that's why we're getting stuck. Got it.
Okay.
Got
Okay,
it.
give me 1 second
Yeah.
here. And what device is she doing this off of?
Well, we're trying to get her iCloud email readable in Microsoft Outlook. Go ahead and type her Microsoft password right there. Yeah,
Okay, this one. Okay.
yeah, yeah. That's why this
You're
is,
trying to iCloud email. You're trying to use her iCloud email for Outlook.
yeah, in Outlook, yes.
The only thing with that is it wouldn't work just due to the fact that Outlook is the Microsoft, I believe it's the Microsoft, how do I put it? Outlook uses Microsoft to send messages, like email messages to. iCloud is only really exclusive to Apple.
So we can't install the iCloud email into Microsoft Outlook?
Yeah, I believe you cannot. But let me verify that first before, and then
I
see
know. I
if this
did
is
it
possible.
once.
From my knowledge, I believe you can't do
All
that.
right, well, we'll hold. I'm kind of curious because I've been doing this for 20 years. I'm very curious about whether or not, yeah, okay, got it.
Okay, give me 1 second. Let me find out.
Thank you. Yeah, that doesn't make sense to me either. No, technically speaking, we should be able to read this iCloud email.
Because on
Yeah,
the HP,
I see it set up over there. Yeah, it was working as of last March.
It was. That's
Yeah.
right.
Thank you.
March 21.
Okay, so are you still on
Yes,
with me?
yeah, we are.
Okay, so I was talking to some of my other advisors, and they basically told me that you can't do that just because the iCloud is basically our, like, Apple's, like, server email address.
Yeah.
And then, Outlook is, like, Microsoft. So it won't be able to it won't actually accept the iCloud email.
Is this a recent intervention? Because her old computer, basically, she hired me to set up her new computer, and it looks like she had iCloud set up in Microsoft Outlook on the old computer.
Yeah, what computer was it?
Well, her old computer was like a 10-year-old HP, but now we got a brand new Dell with Microsoft Office on it. So we tried to start Outlook, and Outlook doesn't know. Hold on, let me see here. Yeah, Outlook doesn't know how to handle iCloud.
Yeah, I'm about to say it could have been more of a recent. How do I put it? Well, actually, I've never heard of it actually working before.
Yeah.
Well,
How long has she had that PC for?
Well, it's a 10-year-old HP that used to work.
I was
Yeah.
gonna say if it was an older one, it could maybe have, because maybe the Microsoft that she used up there probably allowed it at one point. But I do know nowadays you aren't actually able to use the iCloud email address for any other thing but like just the Apple products.
Are we able to confirm that? I've never had this sort of restriction before.
Yeah. I had gone on.
You. Oh, go ahead.
Go ahead.
No.
I was gonna say if you want to, 'cause like talk to one of my senior advisors about, the issue. I can get you transferred up to
Yeah.
them just to see.
Let's do that.
Okay, let me put you back on a brief hold. Let me see if I can get one on the line for us.
All right. Thanks.
Now, because when I set it up, the instructions were to go onto the internet, ask for iCloud for Windows,
Right.
and I put it on,
Yeah.
and it was working.
Got it. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. iCloud. That's a separate thing, but it's usually used for syncing up all your Apple stuff. Download. Let's see if this does it. Let's see, I think he's misinformed.
I think so too. They're usually brilliant, but.
Well,
Not always.
he's probably just not that technical.
Mm-hmm.
I hate to bash anyone because we've all been there, but something happened. Let's see here.
Who's this guy?
No, that's a placeholder. That's just a random. That's just artwork.
Okay. Mail.
Trying to download it.
No.
Something's happened. We don't want to get it from the App Store. iCloud download. Get it without going through the App Store here.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, all right.
Or did you bring your water up? Or oh, you have
It's
it.
right there.
Okay.
I got more water up here if you want one.
No, I'm good, thanks.
He wants to smoke.
Oh, got it. Why do we have to get this through the App Store? That's so silly. iCloud download. We don't want to get it through the App Store.
Shouldn't it already be in here?
No, it's an add-on.
Okay.
Download iCloud. I'll be telling people not to marry themselves to an iCloud email anymore either, because we should not have these hoops to jump through. Trust that source. It's not Microsoft.com.
Mm-mm.
iCloud download, where is it? iCloud for the link is glitchy. Why is it giving us grief? Something happened. Where is it?
Download.
There we go.
Mm-hmm.
There's no reason you should have to install extra software to make your email work for a major software utility that
No.
checks email. And that's why I think he's a little confused, because he doesn't realize that might be what has to happen. Okay. iCloud. Good. Oh, come on. All right. So now, let's see if this fixes it. Go ahead and type your Apple ID, which is your iCloud email.
I get so confused with all these.
Yeah, that's all right. We'll clean that up. You got to type the email first.
Oh,
Where it
okay.
says Apple ID. I love how they don't have the common sense to say that's what they really need. We'll
So
just call
that-
it the Apple ID. Go ahead. Your email.
My email. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
But because of their nomenclature, yeah.
At iCloud.com.
Yes. Good. Now type your Apple password right there.
And the Apple password is right there.
Yes.
Okay, Miss Lansing, are you still alive with me?
Yeah.
Yes, we are.
Okay, so I have my senior advisor Amir on the line, and he's basically going to take over the call for me.
All right. Thank you. Good.
You're welcome. Take care.
Okay,
the
take those.
verification, which is
7, 8, 9.
9.
Hi, how are you?
521.
521.
Hello there, I'm doing good. As I said, my name is Amir.
Yes.
And you have some questions in regards of trying to put an iCloud email on a different email application.
Yes. Yes. So what we just did, we're going to find out if this works. We just installed Apple iCloud for Windows.
Okay.
Will that work?
Gotcha. So let me get to the real fast. Let me we're gonna try to go away to get this resolved here for you today. So I think I might have to idea with you what you're trying to do here.
Yeah.
Okay. So the first thing here is you're trying to put the iCloud email on a Windows app. Is that
Yes.
correct? You can do that. You don't have to necessarily download anything extra to do so. You can put your iCloud email on an Outlook application. Okay?
Yeah. All right. Okay. Go ahead.
There is something that you have to do though. You need to do that though. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to appleid.apple.com.
Yeah.
Because what's going to happen because of how the security is for the Apple ID, they require two-factor authentication. And so what you're going to do is you're going to sign in on that website. You're going to create what's called an Apple-specific password.
Right. Got it. Okay. So let me stop you right here. Okay. So one of the things we're confused about is she's got two email. So her actual iCloud email, type your Cox email, her login is a Cox email address for her iCloud account.
Can we change that?
Yeah, I don't know if we can change that because what she actually wants is she's been using an iCloud email to just use for her basic communication.
Can we get rid of the Cox?
So you're trying to see can you get rid of the Cox email and then make it to where it's the iCloud email?
Yeah, I think that's what's going on because that's why we've been spinning our wheels trying to figure out what's going on because the email, the login that she's using for both her iPad and her phone, the placeholder is a Cox email, but she uses an iCloud email to do basic communication, and that's where it took me 20 minutes just to figure that out.
Okay, so let's explain it this way here. So
Let's do this.
iCloud email is associated with the Cox email?
Yeah.
Or is it own separate account?
Yeah, that's why this is confusing here. But let's do this. Manage Apple ID. No, that's not what we want.
Okay.
Hold on. Yeah, go ahead. So what I think she has is so her placeholder for her iCloud email is a different account, and that's part of our confusion. So let me sign out here. I want you to do this. Let's delete from PC. Delete from PC. Oh, that's why. Yeah. Okay, that's why this is confusing. She's got a bunch of data married to this account, which is technically okay. No, you're good. No, never mind. Laura Lamping at okay, good. We got the Cox email right there. Account details. Hold on, let me just, before I get verbose here, let me confirm what's up here. I don't know why Microsoft did this. I mean, Apple did this. Okay, so to log into Microsoft.com, which I got to figure out what placeholder she's using in to log in. Your login is your Cox email. No, it's the iCloud. Got it. Okay, iCloud. Good. So Microsoft password. Type your Microsoft.
That's one.
Yeah. Microsoft has given us grief. Hold on a second. So you're saying in order to get this going, we didn't need to use an app password to copy and paste to her account?
Right. So let me explain it here this way.
Yeah.
Because how Apple IDs work.
Yeah.
You just can't go in and go to it. It might give you option say, hey, you use iCloud Mail.
Right.
But you want the copy and paste to go in and just put the same password in to have the actual Apple ID.
Right.
Because of the security of it. So what you need to do is go to the Apple ID, the Apple.com website. You're going to create a specific password that you're going to use for that particular client. And then at that point, you'll be able to log in with your Apple ID, your iCloud email.
Okay, so it looks like she got her iCloud email working on her phone, which is also the same email. I'm sorry, the same piece of hardware that she's logging into her iCloud account using her Cox email. So it seems like she's intertwined two different accounts. Does that make sense?
So I think I understand what's going on here. Let's do it better this way here.
Yeah.
You mind like coming in on screen share here to
Yeah, we can go do screen share. We're on a Windows PC, but yes.
Okay, gotcha. So real fast about screen share, let me say this quick thing is that we'll be able to see the screen, but we can't control your computer.
Yeah, that's fine.
You do that, just let me know. Okay?
Right. Hey, is there something? Can you adjust your microphone? You sound a little distant.
Can you hear me now?
No, that's much better. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so where would you like us to go?
So what I need you to do is on your computer, go to this website for me. It's
Yeah. ARA
.apple.com.
Okay, terms of use, we're going to accept. Session key, is that what you're going to give us?
Yes, session key is going to be 282
Uh-huh.
0831.
0831.
His microphone went dead again.
Yeah, all right. Okay, so we want to run this little downloader, right? Oh, you're using Bomgar. Got it.
Correct.
Okay, it should be running. Yeah, she's got her email working on her phone, but what that implies is that she's got her iCloud email working as a separate account. Does that make sense? You see what I mean?
Right. So essentially, what you can do is that you can have your Apple ID be the at email.
Yeah.
And that's the one that we do today. And you can also have inside of your actual Apple ID at iCloud email, so that it gives the at iCloud.
Right. Well, that's why this gets confusing. I need to make sure that this her Apple ID email is that a placeholder inside of her Cox email, or is it a separate account?
So it's technically a separate account that's inside of the same account.
Yeah, that's.
Meaning,
Are we able to admit? Okay, so the reason I got confused is when I tried to administer the password for that secondary email, I couldn't figure it out because I ended up resetting her Cox login. And does that not? That's a separate password from the email then?
Yeah, so your Apple ID, even with that Cox.com, it has nothing to do
Right.
with Cox as a email.
Yeah, you understand why that's so confusing. I don't understand why Apple would allow that to happen. All right.
Well, that's because it's kind of like any website you can use as like an email as a username. That's
Right.
all it is. The Apple ID is as a username. So
Yeah, but if all we want to do is set up Microsoft.com, I mean, if we want to just use a major email client like Outlook, Apple has made this difficult and convoluted by requiring us to go do something only a tech-savvy individual is going to understand.
gotcha, I got you.
So,
So, all right. So let me do this here. So go ahead and minimize this here for me.
yeah.
All right. And where are you trying to log in for the iCloud mail?
Well, okay, we know we can get into iCloud. So iCloud. Well, we were trying to get into the Outlook here, right here.
Right.
So that's why if we try to type in Outlook.com, so her placeholder for her 365 account is also iCloud, and it's giving us grief to log in. So if we try to do this and then go ahead and type your Apple password. No, I'm sorry, your Microsoft password.
No, all right, I'm gonna pause you right here.
Yeah,
Pause you right.
yeah.
You're not gonna be able to, like I said, you're not gonna be able to enter your Apple ID password here.
Right, yeah, we know that. Yeah, we're taking the Microsoft 365 password right here because she used the iCloud email as her placeholder to log into Microsoft.
Okay.
Yeah. I see what's going on. Hold on. Okay, yeah, something went wrong, but we already know what the password is. That's why this is so frustrating. So we're going to do control panel. I don't know why.
Okay, so let me make sure. What you're just trying, are you trying to use Outlook or use Outlook to sign into an iCloud email to get iCloud emails through the Outlook
Both.
app?
Yes,
Okay,
both
correct.
of the above. Yes.
Okay. So what you're gonna do here is this. Go ahead and close this here. We're not gonna need this.
Yeah.
We're not gonna need this.
Yep.
So, okay.
Yep.
So first things first, go to Apple ID, apple.com.
Apple ID. Well, I'm sorry. What is it?
Apple ID.
Apple.
Apple.com.
Oh, there we go. All right.
Click where it says sign in right here.
Sign in.
Sign in with the actual Apple ID.
Okay, see, this is why this gets confusing. Her phone and her iPad are tied to, you can see on the screen how it's a Cox email, right?
Yep.
Got it. Okay, so, are we going to be able to log into this Cox email, log in and see that her other iCloud account is also affiliated?
Correct. So that's what that log.
Got it. Okay, that's why I wanted to make sure I understood what you were saying. Okay, good. Okay, go ahead and type your Apple password for the Cox. Let's see if that's it. Yeah. We actually don't know what this password is now because we haven't been messing with this placeholder.
So it's the same password that you would use for the app.
Okay, go ahead and try. Yeah, well, let's just see if this works. Okay, go ahead and type what we've reset it.
Oh.
Hold on. Type your password down here. Just start typing.
Oh, it doesn't matter that that's already
Correct.
What
Yeah, all these companies are doing this now. It's frustrating because they don't have any sort of verbiage that explains what's going on.
and then
Okay, so we don't know. So yeah, so we've been messing with a different password because I think that that email, that Apple email is affiliated as its own account, and that's why this gets confusing. So go ahead and
So let's do this here. So
Yeah.
what you're going to do is let's use one of her iOS devices, iPhone, iPad,
Yeah.
whatever we want, to reset the password.
yeah, that's what we did earlier. I thought we did that.
Right.
Let's
So
see.
what we can do,
Go ahead.
I can do a screen share on one of those devices So I'll show you how to go ahead and send it.
We know how to do that. I think we already did that. So we did that. So we did the change password
Mhm.
with this Cox email. We already did that. Do you remember that password?
Me?
Which- yes.
No, because,
So we don't know.
see,
Okay. So we didn't write that down.
no.
Go ahead and reset that right there. So she's going to go
Change
ahead and,
pass-
yes, got it.
Okay.
So when we last reset it, yeah, type the passcode to get into the phone.
Down to this one.
Is that when you first pick up the phone, that password? Done is up
Okay.
there. Good. Now create the new password.
Okay, don't want any of those.
Got it.
And this is a password for what?
Your iCloud. It's going to be your Cox iCloud account, which may or may not be the same account. We don't even know.
Okay.
Because you've been dealing with 2 different logins for Apple. And that's why this has been such an arduous procedure here.
Okay. Oh, verify.
And you type the identical one again.
And then
Change. Yes. Go ahead and just don't sign out. Or sign out. Yeah, sure, why not? Go ahead. Good. So now we're changing that. Hold on. It's changing. Okay, go ahead and type that password you just changed right there.
And this password was supposed to be for what?
Well,
We can't title it
we're
yet.
trying to figure out if we're dealing
Okay.
with 2 actual Apple IDs.
Okay. Now go to arrow.
Yes. Good. Now two-factor. Two-factor. Hold on. We're waiting on two-factor. Hold on. It didn't get. We're waiting on our two-factor authentication. A message has been sent to your devices. We don't have it yet.
So on wait, before you do that,
Yeah.
any of your devices, do you have an option that's asking you to allow a sign-in to Apple?
Well, we haven't been prompted on the phone. That's why we were waiting for the number to come up on the phone.
What about on the iPad?
Where is it?
Right here.
That's silly. All right. Well, that was locked up. So
It's unlocked now.
yeah, the phone. Oh, click
Apple ID. Settings.
verification. Go ahead, settings. This is a type your.
The new password.
I guess.
Now it's asking for Apple
Yeah.
ID password.
You know, now it comes to the phone. The Apple doesn't seem to be very
Okay.
consistent. There's our number.
Okay, I got you. Okay.
Yeah.
This is what's going on here.
Yeah.
After the password, essentially what's going on is that both your devices kind of need to be. Essentially, so on the iPad, it asks you to put in the Apple ID password.
Yes.
Go ahead and put in the Apple ID password.
All right, hold on. Well, we actually on the computer are able to put in the code that it was asking for. So in order for that to get pushed through, we had to unlock the iPad. Got it. Okay, so now we're logged in.
But now it
Alright.
wants me.
Go to personal information.
Personal information. Got it.
Okay, scroll down.
Scroll down. Yeah, and this is okay. Good. Okay, so we've confirmed this iCloud account is associated with the same account. Got it.
Alright, scroll up.
Yeah.
Go to sign in security.
Yeah.
Scroll down to the right side here.
Yeah. Password.
So keep scrolling.
All right.
Keep scrolling. Sign in with app. Oh no, app specific password right here.
App.
Right here.
Okay. App specific passwords. Got it. Generate app specific password. Got it. Let's call this email.
You can. Yeah, you can call it whatever you want to
Call it email. Oh my goodness. All right. Good. So now we're gonna confirm your.
Now,
Go ahead. You want us to type our login password here?
correct. You type in your
Okay.
login.
Type in your Apple password.
That's this one.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
All this because of people
Well, because Apple.
get into stuff. Yeah.
Well, they're
Continue.
they didn't. Okay, try it again. It wasn't typed properly. You just reset it. Didn't remember?
Well,
Yeah, sorry.
so I go to
yeah,
that one.
That one, yes.
Okay.
Got it. Yeah, see, Apple doesn't really explain what was going on here. We had to find out the hard way how things were happening. Good. Okay, app specific password is.
I'm gonna pop the screen share here so that way you can. It's probably best to just copy that.
Yeah, we're doing that now.
That page yet.
Yep, copy. Got it. Done. Good. Okay, so that now you're saying, let's see if Outlook works now. So is this going to be, got it. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay. If this works. Good, that worked. That was, okay, good. Okay, good, there's our email. Holy heck. Well, that only took 2 hours. All right. That was
My
not
gosh.
obvious. But we got, so now she's got her email working in Microsoft Outlook. If that's what we needed to do, we needed to do app password for this to work. So even though she's logging in with a manual password, that's a different password than the app password that we had to generate after logging into your account. Got it. That was not obvious. All right, but thank you. I think we've got it.
Alright, awesome.
Have you guys written down all these?
Any other
Yes.
questions concerning the app for me, sir?
No, I think that is our that was our major issue. We were conflated. We were totally confused because we had two different identifiers, but one account, and then we also didn't realize that the app password was a necessity to log into Microsoft Outlook.
Yep. Yep. Any other dark third party email application that's not an Apple Mail
Yeah,
application.
got it. Okay, so that's a new integration because I've been at this for 20 years. That's just probably the last several years, I guess. All these companies are going that route. You think?
Pretty much.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Hopefully it's done today.
All right. Bye. Well, that was arduous.
So this is my new password
Yes,
to
to
get
log
my
in.
email.
Yes, to get. So let's make a note that your iCloud is tied to the Cox login. So let's maybe another page because we want some more space. So iCloud email. Used for communication. Is part of Cox iCloud account.
And that password now is this one.
Right. So, also, for another part of your notes, you're going to put email for iCloud password.
Email for iCloud password.
And we're going to do parentheses. Is an app password.
Is what?
In parentheses is an app copy paste password. Let's just do copy paste password. Produced at iCloud.com.
Is this the in
It's all right. So we are going to,
produced at iCloud.com?
yes. So that app password is what we would need if we had another computer to set up.
Oh,
Yes.
and
So
it's
we've still
this password,
yes.
this very one that I just wrote down.
So okay, I know what's going on. So that copy paste password we did, that's not one that gets written down because it gets changed all the time. It has to generate one all the time.
Oh,
Yeah. So that's why that's why I was trying to articulate in writing what's
Okay.
up. So when we add the email password to the Apple, we're going to do that copy and paste trick, not a handwritten password.
okay.
So that's why that's why this was confusing. I didn't realize that was something that they required. This is only in the last year or two that they've decided to do this, I guess. Because you never used to have to do this.
Well, that's why I had iCloud
Yes.
Mail
Right.
on her HP.
Right, but that wasn't the. It was
But
a
it-
different implementation.
they've
So
changed it.
they've changed for security.
Okay.
The app password is a copy paste password, not one that you generated, and that's
so
why this
how
got
do you
confusing.
do this? How do I?
You're not gonna. This is set up. You won't have to type that or copy paste anything anymore.
So she'll be able to get mail
Yes,
on
her
on
mail
this
now
computer.
works in Outlook.
So
Yes.
all I have to do is go here.
Yes, yes, that's what, ultimately why
So
we
if
got
I
all
shut this
flustered.
down.
Flustered. Yes, we can close this out too.
Okay.
Cancel. Good, good. So your let's do the shortcut for Outlook. It's going to be there. We're going
And
to
there
keep
it
that
is.
there. Yeah. So that's all you'll have to do to read your mail.
Holy shit.
Good.
Excuse
yeah.
me.
So well, I'm sorry it took so freaking long.
That's all right.
Well, yeah. That's why I enjoy
Well,
working with people,
I
so you
was
can see.
blank.
Yeah, I understood
and
what
you
he
know
was.
how to.
I mean, I think he understands why I'm frustrated because you shouldn't
Sure.
have to. I mean, there's no verbiage that says it's exactly what had to happen. He, as an insider, knew. Oh, by the way, yeah, it's all frustrating. So we got this. What else are we missing? QuickBooks, your bookkeeper.
QuickBooks, I'm good.
Yeah.
If I don't have that up, I don't know.
Okay, why don't you play with the HP right here, and then we're going to add your mail to your Apple machine.
Ouch.
Yes.
Okay, so now I go in here again.
Let's see if it's on.
Oh, okay.
It might be off.
It might have died.
Oh, does it do that? No.
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 It goes to time.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's see.
Okay. Well, and we didn't change this one, did we?
No.
Good. Good.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see what else we have on our HP. So that's unnecessarily good.
Oh, Chris,
Yeah.
if you go to trash on this,
Yes.
there's a whole bunch of stuff in trash. So maybe that's stuff that we couldn't get transferred.
Oh, well, she doesn't have technically a lot. That's everything right there. That's just a few PDF files. So you also, it looks like you didn't have much on your
I
desktop.
don't have much
Good.
on my
Because
desktop.
there wasn't anything to transfer to the desktop before, so I wondered if maybe. Let's,
I
let's,
supposedly have Norton.
okay, so here's your. You don't need Norton with Windows 11.
Okay.
I would not I hate that company.
I hate it. Well,
think
I
we
paid for
discontinued.
that. I have to discontinue it.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So. Okay. So what else do we do on this machine? Just Intuit and Microsoft, right?
I don't know if my pictures are here. Well, I've got Word.
Yeah, you have pictures, and I know I was able to get most of those over. These pictures there,
Okay.
so that's good.
And,
So those are over there.
Word.
Word, that's over there already.
Okay.
That's how we got out.
Oh, okay, that's the.
The 365 that we paid
Yeah.
for, and we're now going to add to the new Apples, the 2 Apple computers.
Yeah, because that said friend.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. So now I think we can move over to the Apples. Both of you can
Okay,
fire those
this
up.
can shut down.
Yeah, we're done with the Windows machine. Got it.
I don't know that I love you, Windows.
Well, no, Apple complicated things by not making their password login for your iCloud obvious.
Okay, where would I find Word?
Word. So if you can't find a program, you're just going to type Word,
Oh, okay.
and then we'll pin that shortcut once it's open.
Oh, perfect.
See, and it sees your stuff in the Documents folder automatically.
Yes. Cool.
There. So now even when we shut this down, the shortcut will stay there.
Okay, now if
Yeah.
you hit Windows, won't Word show up?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I didn't know
Yeah.
that.
See, there's another one. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is
All
the
right.
new Windows. It's newer than the Windows 10
Right.
over there. So yeah, this is a little bit different.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
kind of like a dashboard of sort.
Super.
Yeah.
I'm learning.
Good.
Okay, we got
Not
notification.
shut
from-
this
Yeah.
down.
We got notification from Microsoft.
Yes.
365 family has. Is that the Office thing?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Which
some-
she uses her iCloud email to log into.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So
So-
that means now we can put this on her
Yes.
iPad and stuff.
Yes. You mean
Or,
her laptop?
MacBook Air.
Both
yes.
of you. Both of you too.
Okay.
So you can both do that.
Okay.
So let's do that now.
Tom,
That's where
can
we
I
are.
hand you this?
Oh, yeah, the two of them.
No.
Here we are.
It doesn't go on iPad. It just goes on the 2 Macs. Correct?
Yes. Correct. Now that was a bigger headache than anticipated, but
It was a headache. I am truly sorry.
Well, it's Apple's
For you
fault.
and me.
It's Apple's fault. Apple, I mean, the app password thing is just,
And this Apple ID,
right,
Microsoft ID,
right.
and iCloud
Yes.
ID. And
Yes.
then this is the one we used for, but I don't need to use that anymore.
Correct. The
So-
Apple ID, yeah, so it
Because
gets
this one I can just cross out.
Yeah, see, the reason it gets confusing is because you could have had that iCloud email could have been dedicated to its own iCloud account, which is why I was confused about how to administer the password.
Mm-hmm.
So, unfortunately, Apple has made it easier for you to use any email, so you don't necessarily have to create an email
Oh,
to administer your phone. So that's why you use your
Okay.
Cox email to log into your phone to
which
administer.
I don't even know that I use.
Right, and that's what I realized while playing with your phone. Oh, by the way, your login for your iCloud account is not your iCloud. Go ahead and log into your computer as normal.
Okay.
Yes,
And see, that one even has a different one.
you're going to do the same thing. Go to Microsoft.com. You want to sit here or there? Or you can stand here.
I'll just.
Oh, go in, idiot.
It's all right.
Oh,
Good.
okay, here I am.
Good. Okay, let's get you online because this thing's never been online. Let's see here. Let's make sure, just for administrative purposes, make sure you have room to function. And this thing's already been updated. Good. Can't minimize any of these windows here.
We can get rid of that.
Good. That's a 2015. Want to make sure we have the right storage before I overwork. Oh. Good. This thing is a 500 for this machine. That's a lot. Okay, so now let's get it online. Self-Pay Tech Gurus, where is it? Where's our Self-Pay Tech Gurus? Good. Self-Pay Tech Gurus, good. Now my password to get online is WINNER1120. Go, join.
They
We're gonna
got
get
it
on-
on YouTube.
That's fine. It's just my Wi-Fi password. Everyone that comes in here knows that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's not
Because
identifiable.
Matt can't connect FaceTime because.
That's
of-
fine. Oh, because we changed that password, remember?
Okay.
So we can, let's just go ahead and do it your Apple password right now.
This?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Now you have your own Apple password because you
Right.
have your own hardware. Let's get you online.
Okay, next. Your Apple ID or password is incorrect.
So we'll figure it out what it is. Okay. Your Apple ID or password is incorrect. Is it, which one did we use?
I used this
That's
one.
what you just tried?
Uh-huh.
Did we reset that?
Mm,
Well, let's get Microsoft taken care of. Let's do, where's your browser? Let's go to Microsoft.com. Good. Okay, so we're going to sign into that Microsoft password, which is your iCloud email. Down here. Down here.
Okay.
Yeah. We're going to do the same thing over here, but we're going to create you a user because since she owns the account, she has to add you as a user so that you can back up and do all that fun stuff. here.
Enter password.
Yeah, the password? Oh. You got to type the email first.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
And that's the iCloud one.
Yes.
Your restroom, I can use.
Oh, yeah, sure. It's going to be.
No account, create one.
Yeah, you have an account. Yeah, you do. Hold on.
Okay.
It's this key.
Uh-huh.
And just walk down the back. And there's
Oh.
two doors on the very back. This level. All right. So you do have an account. Like a Laura. Yeah, that is it.
Mhm.
Type the password. Apparently it's that. Good.
Save password.
There we go. You must have mistyped it. Now it's working. Good. So now we're going to go to your account and we're going to install Office, which we've already paid for.
Oh, that's the family friendly?
Yeah, that allows you to install Office on up to 6 devices.
Okay.
So we're going to do manage. See, it's got 2 registered right now.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to do that on his, and then we're good. Where's
And it's
the-
already on here.
Yes. Where's our link that says install now?
And sharing use.
There we are. Install Office. That's what we needed. Allow.
Of course. That's why we're here.
Yes. Good. That password was 90% of your time here. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah. Because this is easy now. We're waiting on that progress bar right there.
Okay.
We're downloading Office, and then we install it, and then if you want, we'll get your Outlook working in Outlook. I mean, your iCloud email working in Outlook.
Good.
Yes.
Well, oh, yes, because it was in there,
Right.
but it hasn't in here.
Now we know what's going on. This is an easier to deal with situation.
And this is the way I have to have all my passwords.
It's fresh. Well, LastPass is the app that I use to manage my passwords. So you can install that app on the phone, and it's a plugin that gets installed in your browser. So I'll just show you how this works. LastPass. It's a free app. So these are all my logins from decades earlier,
Okay.
and that way it's basically what
You
I
can't
call it.
lose it.
Right. Yeah.
It's
so
a good Bible.
Yeah. Yeah. Bible. There you go.
What's it called?
LastPass.
LastPass.
There's a pay version, but you don't need to pay it for the way that a normal
Under
person-
settings?
Yeah, we'll go to the App Store and install it.
Oh, okay.
So your App
App
Store is
Store.
that blue icon right there. When you install it on the computer, it'll ask you, hey, would you like to suck up all the passwords, and then ask permission to log in.
Okay, I'm looking for.
Type the
Search.
yeah, and then do the word LastPass.
LastPass.
Yes.
And just period LastPass.
Yes. It'll be a red icon. There you go. This one right here where it says get.
Get.
Yes. And then
Install.
Good. Now type your Apple password.
Apple.
Yes.
That's an ID, not a password.
I know, that's why that's in the verbiage is not obvious.
Okay.
It's that password there.
Come on, numbers. Sign in.
Okay, you must have missed.
Most likely.
Okay, I'll have to call her back. I just
Sign in.
yes. Look at your what Apple ID password. Is this what you're trying right there?
Yeah.
Try it again. Wait, is this what
I
you-
think that might
All
be
right,
it.
okay, try this up here. Yeah, you recorded it at second place.
Yes.
Okay. Try it again. It is, yeah.
Nope.
Sign in up. Apple password. The Cox. We
Never did that.
okay.
What do you have for an Apple password?
We just reset it, and you're telling so we dated it today. Oh wait,
Oh,
what else
No.
is back here?
Oh, that's
That's
other stuff.
other-
Other
stuff.
unrelated stuff.
yep.
New password. Wait, what's this?
New password for anything for Apple ID. Oh shit. Well, we changed.
That's old.
Well, no. Did you just? When did you just?
I
write
just
that?
didn't do anything with it. Let's see. I don't remember.
When was this written?
No data. Let me see what happened.
Hi, this is Chris. Actually, I'm working with a client. I can call you right back.
No,
All right.
that's not it.
Thank you. All right. We'll figure this
Okay.
out.
Which password?
Apple password.
Apple
ID.
password.
Apple ID. We just reset it while we were on the phone with our Apple person.
Well,
Well-
that's the one we gave him.
Yeah.
The Apple iPad?
No.
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 No. Apple.
ID password. This is the one we gave.
Okay, try it. There, that worked.
What was that?
It's this one.
Okay.
Okay, well, it's next stop. See, that's-
Microsoft Outlook password.
Oh, shucks. All right.
Good Lord.
Well, darn. All right. Yeah, you guys are gonna have to.
Okay.
It's coming down. LastPass is installing.
This is where you can put all your
Password management.
passwords.
Okay. Yeah, because, I mean, I'm the one that tries to keep track of all this, and right now, I have no idea what's current, what's
Well, that's
new.
why-
That's we're gonna date them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
All right. There we go. Agree. It's gonna ask you for the hardware password to log into the whole computer. That's what that is right there. When you first turn on the computer, that's the password it's asking
Okay.
for.
I guess I say.
Yes, install software. Yes. No, when you first turn on the computer, you type the
Oh,
password,
I'm
right?
sorry. Wrong
Yeah.
computer.
It's all right. There. Now it's installing. So now
Jeez,
we're.
it's right in front of me.
It's all right. All right. Okay, so now we're going to go to Microsoft.com over here. We're going to log into your account. Go ahead and log into that iCloud information here.
Who, me or Laura?
Well, she
You-
knows the login, so she'll get you in.
I don't. Oh,
We're going to sign in to get Office on this machine also.
I'm sorry. I know the login.
The Microsoft.
Okay,
Which-
Microsoft
Check your
login.
iCloud email right here. That email.
Okay, question.
Yeah.
Do I need that on this?
Well, do you not need Office on the machine?
Oh,
I thought that's what we're.
That's
we
what it was all about.
Yeah.
because
Laura
I have
Lamping.
Word,
You don't
Excel.
need it. Yeah. So, well, you got a really old version of Word and Excel. That's a
Oh.
12-year-old version. Yeah.
So I put Laura Lamping at
Yeah.
iCloud.com.
Yep.
Okay, at. I'm so used to doing this with the iPad.
It's all right.
iCloud.com. Next.
Yes, and I would get ready to replace this. I can tell how old this thing is.
He's not going to do that.
Got it. All right.
And enter password.
The password you just figured out, the one that's crossed out,
Okay.
that one.
The one is crossed out.
Yeah.
That's scary.
Oh, you mistyped
Oh,
it.
shit.
We already know that you just mistyped it.
Whoops. I got two of them. See how easy?
Yep. No, you still had a character there before you started typing again, by the way.
I did.
You should start over, yeah.
Make it clean.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, you're mistyping it. We know this because you just typed it over here. Let's get rid of this. Hold on just a second. Go ahead, try it again. Did you type your email correctly?
I actually typed it into here. Not into.
Oh, we're dealing with Microsoft account. That was, I'm
Okay.
sorry, that's why that got confusing. We need the
Okay,
Microsoft account.
Microsoft.
The other
Okay.
one was the Apple password. Yeah, that's right. The iCloud. There we
Okay.
are. Good. All right. Good. Now we're in here. So now we're going to go Microsoft.com or the account. Come on. Okay, we're going to do manage because we actually want to give you your own user. Start sharing. Invite email. What's your email address?
TOM.
TOM. Oh,
P-
hold, let me just a second. Here, just type it so we don't say it out loud.
Okay.
Here we go. Looks like,
Now this is still running.
yeah, it's a big program.
Oh, okay.
So you're using an Apple email that's a .me email from 20 years ago.
Oh no.
Yeah. Okay, good. So how do you check that email? Do you check it on your phone?
My phone, my iPad, this.
Okay, so let's go check that email.
Uh-huh.
How do you check that email? Go ahead on the computer. Yeah, check it here.
Oh.
Like you're checking your me mail.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, you do it. You Mac mail it. All right. Good. Good. Accept. Good.
Here, you see.
Yep, I'm good. Go ahead. Get started.
Now, will it take these other ones out then? Or?
Yeah. You can't join with this. Oh, that's so stupid. You don't need their cloud backup. Let's just do this.
Okay.
Forget it. They were going to ask you to start a Microsoft account.
Oh,
That's
no.
just.
Careless.
You're already back up to the iCloud. You're good.
Right.
If you were to use that feature, they would require you to have your own Microsoft account.
That's right.
So it's so confusing. So basically, she pays for her Microsoft account,
Right.
and then you get a free account, and then you piggyback on hers. That's what they're trying to do.
Okay.
I just recognize that's what they're trying to do. The verbiage is not obvious.
Yeah.
So we're going to do that. All we're just going to do is sign in as her so that those 6 devices can be used. Install Office. There we go. Now it's downloading. So you should be able to. We're not going to install your email in Microsoft Outlook. This is just
No.
for Word and Excel.
Yeah. I don't want to.
Yeah.
Outlook always causes me problems.
Well, it's a very powerful utility, and 95% of the corporate world uses it.
Mm-hmm.
But obviously, it's complicated and convoluted. So there we go. Cannot believe how. Is this still going? Are we good on battery? Yeah, your battery's still healthy. Good. Yeah, when this thing fails, I would just move on. This is a 2012 computer. Oh, let's check your information here for settings. Settings. About this Mac. Support. Oh, it's a 2010. Not even a 2012. All right. You know what? iCloud. Let's make sure you're backed up to the cloud. Good. So that is your. Good. You're already backed up. So your cloud account is in good state. Oh, well, let's check this box here. You were not checked up to have your desktop and documents folders saved, so there, now that's good. We don't have to add any features per se. So now your whole computer will be backed up to the Apple Cloud of your own
Right.
thing.
Okay.
So now you've got Office installed on your machine. That's what that ding was. Right here. So now you got Word and Excel and Outlook. Good. So let's do this. Are you checking your mail and Mac Mail here already?
No, I'm not.
Okay, it looks okay. Good. Outlook. You want to though, right? Now that we know how to do it. Here. Got it. Outlook is coming. We're almost there.
Can I ask you
Yeah,
something?
go ahead.
No, this is the backup I used to use on the HP.
You can use it on here now, yes.
Okay, do I need it? I don't think I need it installed or anything.
You plug it in and then use what's called file history. Oh, we can make sure that's set up.
Okay.
But it is already, this 365 you're paying for also cloud backs it up.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
which
Wow.
that's already set up for. So that's,
Because you were saying the other day that it'd be a good idea if
Yes.
I got an extra.
yes,
one of
hardware
these for
password,
each-
I mean a hardware backup and a cloud backup is ultimately the best,
Okay,
yes. Oh, wow.
What?
Yeah, so this machine is so out of date. Safari won't support it.
Well, and
I'm not
it's so
supporting-
old, it's not going to take the
It
newer.
didn't even occur to me. This thing is of an age where,
Wow.
shucks. All right, yeah, High Sierra. Are you gonna get another map Apple when this thing fails?
Well, if it fails, I'll have to, but I have no intention of getting a new one. At
It's
this
a
point.
14-year-old computer.
I know.
I know. So, but that's why we're stuck. You got High Sierra.
Yeah.
That's now so out of date that it will no longer take the latest Office.
Oh.
So that's what I've realized right now.
So it won't.
It won't take it.
Okay.
So that's
no problem.
unfortunate.
Yeah.
But yeah, this thing, you got your money out of this thing after 14 years. So, I guess
Okay.
we can't really proceed with this hardware.
All right. Fine.
But at least now we know what's up. You get a new machine, and you'll be good.
Alright.
So here's your email. Just use this thing until it fails.
I will.
Turn on Face ID.
There we go. So there's nothing else we can do.
No.
So what else do we need to take care of?
I think that's it on this.
All right.
I put this away.
Yeah. So just use it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
LastPass would like to send you notifications.
Good. You've been doing
Your
that.
vault is ready.
Good. So now you're going to install the Vault. We're going to install that software. Where is it? LastPass download. Good. Safari. Allow. So it's going to ask you permission every time you log into an account if you want to have it collect that information.
Okay, and I wanted to collect
Yeah.
that information.
So that way you'll have a record of your logins and everything will just proliferate to the app. Good. LastPass. So now you're going to log in. Open. To log into your account right here.
Email address.
Whatever you used for your LastPass account. You see the play on words, right? The LastPass.
So this is an app that I should probably.
Yes, I would recommend you use it too. So that way, for password management,
Mhm.
so we don't get stuck in this handwritten password management.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's obviously secure, right?
Yes, it's a lot more secure than handwriting your passwords, but
Okay.
also more reliable because if you don't date something right,
Yeah.
you can get stuck.
Continue and check your inbox for an email from last.
So now we're gonna go check your email.
Okay.
Check it on your phone since we know we got it working there.
So I go to the App Store.
Yeah. Where's your blue button? There you go.
Email.
Yep.
Okay.
Check your inbox.
Inbox.
There we go.
LastPass.
There we go. Yep. Give it permission. Say verify. Click that red button.
Thanks
Good.
for verifying.
So now you're going to type your master password that you created.
Okay, so I go.
LastPass. Last.
Oh,
There you go. There we go. Get. There. Install.
LastPass would like to receive
You need-
keystrokes from any application.
Yes. Allow. Here, we got to do it here.
Okay,
The
open.
verbiage is not obvious. Open system preferences. And that's where they want us to check boxes. Okay, come on. Oh, there we go. LastPass. Where is it? Oh, type your hardware password. The password you typed to turn on the computer.
okay.
Okay.
Good. So now it's installing.
Uh-huh.
Unlock, unlock, unlock.
Unlock.
Good. Now check that red box. Yep, this one up here. I'm sorry. That box next to the
Oh.
red icon. My
Come on,
verbiage
little
is-
guy.
Yeah. There we are. Quit. There we go. Good. So now we should be good. Self-congratulatory tours. Download import. Okay. So we're going to do this. We're going to go to Safari, Preferences, and then Passwords. Type your hardware password.
What do we mean
Turn
by
the computer.
one?
Yeah, the password to turn on your computer. Yeah.
and
Let's just see. Where's the go button? There we go. Good. All right.
Okay.
Good. So we're going to export these passwords. Export all passwords. Export just to the desktop. We're going to do passwords and we're going to put it on the desktop. We're going to do our initial loading up of the app.
wow.
So the desktop, you can type your hardware password right there.
Okay.
Yes. Good. So now that created that. And now from here, we should be able to import. Where is it? No, I don't need this tour. Stop! Keep trying to get us to do our tour. Import. There we go. We're going to do. Where is other? We're just going to do CSV file right here. Come on.
Hey, can I have my pen, please?
Mm-hmm.
And that dated. Did that take it?
There's passwords.
Import. Let's close this out here. Glitch. Come on. Oh, did it take it? Come on. All items. There. Here's our CSV file. It's getting stuck. That's so silly. Come on. LastPass. Notes. Passwords. Here, can we see if it showed up on the phone?
Sure.
Just open it, log into your,
Well, thanks for verifying login.
No, that's it. We're going to go into the app. You're on their website. There we go. Log sign in right there.
Okay. Face ID, it's there.
Yeah.
Add first password.
Yeah, see this import's being a glitch here. Let's see here.
See, it has Facebook, Google, Amazon.
Oh, it did take it. It did take it. Got it.
Yeah.
That was a glitch. All right, so it did take it. Good. Oh wait, add. Oh no, that's to add. Hold on. Let me do.
Oh.
Annoying. Vault passwords. It's not taking it. Let's see here. Collapse. All items, passwords. Close. Sign in your Microsoft account so we can open up your CSV file. Microsoft.com, your Microsoft password.
So I have to put my email in first?
For Microsoft, it's your iCloud email, yes.
Okay. Cat? Come. Next.
Next. Personal.
Personal account.
Yep. Type for
And
Microsoft password,
password.
which should be that. Good.
You're all set.
Well, that just open up this Excel sheet to make sure it's about good. So you only have 7 or 8. Why is it giving us? Grief. Okay, good. So those passwords we just tried to explore.
It doesn't say what they're for though.
Well, it will when
Oh,
we.
it will. Okay.
Let's. I want to do this. I want to do this. Are we up to date? Oh, you have an update. Let's do this. Let's get a LastPass on your. Oh, we don't have any history. Oh, you know what we ought to do? Do it on your most of the history's on the HP.
Yes.
Let's do it over here.
Well, no, it wouldn't be. Most of my history is on the
Oh, you
iPad.
use the iPad most. Got
Yes.
it. Got it. All right. Restarting.
Enter the Apple
Apple password.
for Cox.net.
It's your Apple password.
So
Your
I'm
Apple
here.
ID. Yeah, the one. Yeah.
I think we'll try it.
Yeah.
So,
Go ahead.
for this password thing,
Right.
can I access on my laptop, Mac?
Yes.
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 But I need to install it on that too, or what?
Yeah, let's go ahead and install it. In fact, we're going to install it on this machine too. For her. All right.
$12. Okay. Sign in. Ah!
That's all right. Here.
A message
Allow.
with the
Allow.
verification. Okay.
You got that's called second factor authentication.
3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3. Okay, this guy is kind of dead now.
Right.
Okay, now here I am,
Good.
and
Okay.
this is where really everything is.
Yeah, okay. So let me see if, go ahead and put LastPass
Oops.
on here and see if it's able to pull the passwords out of the keychain. Put LastPass on the iPad.
Oh, go to the App Store
Yes, yes.
again. Search. LastPass and not LastPass password manager.
That's fine. Just LastPass, doesn't matter. There's a few just,
Okay, and then it's Get.
no, not the authenticator, although you can get that later. Let's
Okay.
keep things simple for now.
I don't know what an authenticator would be.
It's a second factor number producer. The second factor, just
Oh,
like,
like
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Now this time it popped up with a bunch of difference.
LastPass, pass.
Open.
There, that one. Is that already installed?
No.
Type your Apple ID password right there.
Well, this is like starting all over again.
You gotta sign in, log in. You already created your
okay.
account.
Enter your email. Master password. Oh my God. Check your inbox for an
So yeah, so
email.
they go check your mail again. That's just a security precaution.
No. Okay, now. Last security notification
Yep.
login.
Hit that red button.
Thanks for verifying.
There we go. Now you should be able to log in.
Okay. To continue, check your
We just did that. Hit the
trouble
log
logging
in.
log in. Oh, the big guy down below.
Yeah. Allow.
Allow. Add first password. What?
Yeah. Okay. So well, let's just see if there's an import function from the app.
Okay.
Because you have this thing called the Apple Keychain. Let's see if we can import. Add password, no. Vault security settings. Alt R, and where's the password? Security actions autofill, security. We want to just change master. There's no imports. Passwords, there we go. Passwords. Let's just do import. Facebook, Google, no, we don't want to do that. You can't import from here, from your. You should be able to import from change master. Nope, that's not what we want. Actions, let's see. Nope. Safari, advanced. That's busy. There's no import function from the. That's stupid. Hold on. Click yes.
And I don't know what you're doing.
Log in to. Go ahead and sign into your account again.
Me?
Yeah, your
It's not-
last password
Oh.
there. I think we accidentally installed an update on the computer. That's why that machine's
Oh.
busy.
Okay, I'll find you. Where are you? Yeah.
Chris, will LastPass share or move information
Yes,
from
that's
my
what we're-
phone
yes.
to the okay
That's what we're working on.
Oh.
Did you install it on your computer?
on my computer too?
Yes.
No, I didn't.
Yes, that's where we're going to get your passwords. That's where all your history is, right?
How weird.
That's where you spend most of your time on the computer.
Yeah, between that
I
and
didn't forget my
iPad, yeah, but
password.
mostly.
I'm not a robot.
Yeah, all right.
It's
That's all right. You just.
It went from my master and then I hit.
That's all right. Let's go log in. Here. You used your iCloud email, right?
Yes.
Type your master password right there. There.
Oh, it didn't type there. Come on. Where's your arrow?
Because I have this set up that when
Yeah.
I log into a thing, it remembers the password and just opens on it.
Oh,
Type it.
well, which app are you using that for? Did you created an account already, right?
That's LastPass?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so just do this. Log in. Log into that account right here. Yeah. Okay. So, got it.
Which computer are you using now, Tom?
He's
On
that's his
my
Mac.
MacBook.
It hasn't been set up
Oh,
yet.
I've been setting. Oh, that's the.
Yeah, he's got his own.
I know. I
Okay.
thought I was using his.
Oh. Oh wow. All right, that could have been a problem. All right, so passwords. We don't have anything. No history on this computer yet.
No,
Well, let me
no.
just show you how it works.
Okay.
What? Try to log into some account we know we have no history with. Yeah.
That I have no history with.
Well, I mean on this hardware.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, isn't that too bad?
Go to apple.com and log in.
Okay.
Enter your search. Come on. That's what I'm trying to do.
Okay, so we want to do this. We're going to go Safari,
.com.
Preferences, Passwords. Type your hardware password to log into the whole computer. When you
Okay.
first turn it on, you have a password, right?
Yeah.
You do? What is
I
it?
don't know. Let me look.
When you first turn the computer on, right?
Oh, yes,
That
yes.
password.
Okay. All right.
Okay, I'm on apple.com.
Okay. Oh. So let's just do this. Oh, we want to do it. iCloud.com. I guess apple.com is a different website. Sign into your Cox account. I know. You got a second factor authenticator right there.
Mm-hmm. Wow. 042.
Hold on just a second.
Okay.
042
42 946.
946. Yes, trust. Okay, so we're gonna do extensions. That's what I needed. Which browser is this?
That's a good question.
Yeah, there we go.
Can I have your
Manage
pen?
extensions. Do you use Edge on this computer or Chrome when you're on your Windows machine?
I'm
over
going
there?
to think Chrome,
Okay,
but I
we're-
don't know.
Then we have to add Chrome. All right.
Which one would you suggest?
Well, it's a personal preference.
I've seen the word Chrome before, but I haven't seen Edge.
Got it. Edge comes with Windows. That's why.
Oh.
Well, I may as well install Chrome.
I thought I heard Chrome was subject to spam stuff. Or
They have all got their ulterior motives.
Oh.
You gotta pick your poison.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm installing Chrome just to make things easier because that's what you had on your HP, right?
As far as I know, I never used it.
Got it. Okay. I'm just trying to make things easy. I'm wondering if you've ever used a Chrome account. Let's see here.
Probably never.
We don't know. Everything's a cloud account without. See, they're good. We get good. So we're gonna do passwords. Where's our
Okay, you went blank.
passwords? Type your password again. I'm sorry.
For
The hardware password.
This,
You just typed
okay.
it. Yep. Okay, I want to experiment. Can you try to sign in with your iCloud email there? Just go ahead and just experiment for me. Good. Let me see something here. Okay. I'm looking for your export.
so we're on, I guess this is.
Got it. How do I export?
Okay. Next. Enter your password. Okay.
Yeah.
What kind of password would you like? Oh, that's
Good.
on
So
Google.
yep, I know. That's why I said experiment. I'm trying to
Okay.
make things easier. I'm wondering if your passwords are saved in the cloud with the Google account without even realizing it.
And I don't
Yeah.
even know if I have a
Well,
Google password.
that's why it looks like you do have an account. That's why I populated that way. Just go
Uh-huh.
ahead and
type in
Because-
things.
Because I think
Yeah.
on the HP,
Right.
I don't think she used Google. I think it used
Okay.
what was the Windows.
I'm just trying to assume that maybe she has stuff saved without realizing it, because we all have cloud accounts we don't even realize.
Oh.
That's fine. Can you type your password again? There's no export button on this password.
Choose
Let's
how you
rename
would like to sign in. Get a verification
Good.
code.
Yeah. Okay. Let me see.
Uh-huh.
You're good. There is method to this madness here. Okay, we're gonna give verification code, so there's gonna be a text any second. I'm having trouble exporting those, that's what I'm having. Okay, what is that number?
G dash.
Yeah, I got that already.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
I don't have a verification.
Yeah, you do. It's
Oh, the
190.
190033.
Good. Good. Okay. Yes, we're gonna sync. Good. So now we got a Google account we can sync. So yeah, it doesn't look like you were using your account, even though you had one. That's why you were able to sign in without too much issue. Good. So now when you save your favorites and things to the browser and you have Chrome on there, they'll just show up.
Oh, okay.
Do you have favorites on the Chrome browser there?
No,
Oh, okay. What
No.
about over there?
no,
Oh, okay.
because I've really never signed into Chrome browser
Okay.
that I know of.
All right, but do you have bookmarks that you had saved?
No.
Okay, well then not a big deal. Okay, well then, the account you don't use very often is one you were able to log into easiest.
Right. Didn't have
Got it.
Well, I do search by Google. That's
Got it. Okay, so let's install LastPass.
and that's whatever it is going to be another 8 minutes remaining.
Okay, well we
Oh,
accidentally,
updating.
I must have accidentally installed the update because every machine was out of date. Okay, so I installed Chrome, so now you got the browser you're more comfortable with. Now we're going to sign into LastPass.
What do you mean by Chrome?
I
the
thought you
brow-
said you had Chrome over there on that machine.
I do, but I've never used it.
Oh, okay.
And what does Chrome do?
Well, it's just a different browser. I
Oh,
was trying to
okay.
make I was trying to be
on the internet.
As opposed to
Edge,
Google or
Edge.
or-
Yeah, Chrome. Well, no, Google does Chrome. Chrome. See, these are your
Okay.
browsers. You got Firefox also as an option. I was just trying to keep you in line with what you already had going on that hardware. See what I mean?
kind of, sort of.
Yeah, I think Windows is what you've always
Well,
used.
Edge.
Yes.
Edge
Yeah.
would have been Windows. Yes. Okay, sign in your LastPass account for me right here.
Oh,
Actually,
okay,
let me-
that's the master one.
Yep, let me
Whoops,
do.
now it went away.
No, that was my fault. I was trying to settings and then extensions. Okay, LastPass. Almost done. Extensions. Oh, there we go. Last pass. Add to Chrome. Add extension. That's why I'm doing it. I don't want to frustrate. I'm sure you've already demonstrated more patience than most. All right, go ahead and sign in your LastPass account right here.
Okay. L-A-U-R-A.
Yeah. Why am I having trouble?
At.
Export.
Master. I've got a master by golly.
Most of the work you do is on Windows.
I've
But you
spent a
do
lot of
Apple.
times on both.
Oh, do. Yeah.
Okay, I'm logged in.
Would you miss that space that you had up on?
No, I like this better. Obviously, you can see I have more room.
Yeah.
Okay, desktop. There we go. Safari bookmarks. Save. Good. Other. Where's that file I just created? Or is that Safari? Good. Oh, that's why it wasn't working. What? Oh, there. Safari, alright. Yeah, that is a Safari. Export bookmarks. Desktop. HTML. Oh, we wanted. Why is it an HTML file? That's so stupid. Call her back. One of these password managers. Safari. Okay, yeah. Preferences, passwords, export to desktop, but it's what it's not telling me. Export bookmarks. Click and export. Save to the desktop. Upload the exported file to LastPass. Why is it not taking? That's so not obvious. Where is it? Oh, you got Quickum data on your computer too, I noticed.
Yeah, it's old. Quick
Got
from
it.
that. I haven't used it for years.
Okay, why is your Safari exporting in the wrong format? And I'm going, you know what? That's why, because the system is so out of date. They changed how it gets done. They're giving us directions on a more modern configuration here. Let's see. Okay, so you're signed in. Good.
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't. Okay. Oh, this is what I wanted to show you here. Dismiss.
Mm-hmm.
Go to. Let's go to iCloud.com. .com. Let me see. Is the extension? Pin that there so we know it's working. Go ahead and
Yeah.
sign in.
If you click on that, doesn't it pop up?
Well, that's what I want to show her how this
Oh,
works
okay.
for LastPass.
Oh, okay.
Apple ID. Apple ID. I think it's this latest one.
No, you just typed your password here where your email needs to go. You see that?
Oh, crap.
It's all right.
When they say ID,
I know it's not obvious. What they need is that email login. Import many passwords at
that
once.
doesn't look good. Yeah. Oh, I see why.
Export your passwords from Safari.
Now you want my password. Okay.
Yeah. Add item password. That's so stupid.
Save password. Save password for ID image.
Yeah, sure.
Save. Okay.
There. This is how this works. Add password. That's where it's going to suck it up.
Oh, so I hit that now?
Yes. Add password. Good. So now that's your first one in the account.
Oh.
Oh man, this thing.
And
Hi.
then that's another two faster.
Chris Sobrino,
Yep.
you have a caller.
Hi, this is Chris.
Yeah, I have a PC that isn't turning on. I need somebody to help troubleshoot that. Is that something you work on?
Yeah, I'd be available in a couple hours. I have a house call to do in about an hour, so do you want me to call you back when I'm available?
Yeah, give me a call. That'd be great.
What's your name?
John.
John, and the number that just showed up on my caller ID, that's the most accurate to get you with? The one ending in 81?
Yeah, that's great.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I'll call you as soon as I'm
Sure.
available.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right.
Isn't that interesting? That's what came up with that.
Okay, so you were able to log in, but yeah, see, LastPass just sucked up. So now if you check your LastPass account over here, that account, sign in.
Okay, I'm in. Oh, and
Good.
it shows
Yeah.
apple.com.
Yeah, so it sucked that up. Oh, I'm in the App Store. I didn't even
And there it
realize.
is.
Yes.
So, interesting. Okay. Cool.
Yeah. Oh, go ahead and log in your Apple so we can suck up those passwords. You know what I think it is? The system is so out of date.
It's not
It's
compatible.
Well, I'm trying to make this thing. The Safari browser is up trying to export an HTML file and
Quilt.
Safari. Go ahead.
Ignore winter quilt.
Just to hit ignore. That's some sort of glitch. That's your
That's-
Apple ID password.
Okay, what do I do with that?
Yeah, just ignore it for now. Just later.
Later.
Good. Later.
Later.
Good. Okay, so I thought we just did that. Oh, that should, we still have updates to do. Okay. Let's do this. Let's go to Safari. Is this yours?
Yes.
Oh, I just didn't even knock it
Move it.
over. I always get scared when I have drinks over keyboards. All right. What do we do? LastPass. Safari. Oh, that's right. We want to go Safari. Preferences. Yeah, they changed totally. Go ahead and type your hardware password right here. To
Get
turn
into
on.
this thing.
Yes.
Okay.
Enter. Good. Okay, so now what we want to do, yeah, see they export all passwords.
Okay.
Yeah, export passwords. Desktop. Good. Save. Replace. Good. Type your hardware password. See, this is handling it different on a more modern configuration. This thing is giving me grief.
Okay.
Click OK. Good. Okay, so that's done. So now let's go to your Safari extensions. Stop. Stop.
Hey, kiddo, you're too active.
Can you type your Apple password, please, right here, so this stops bugging us?
Apple password.
Yes.
Well, if this can be a problem to compatibility or whatever,
Yeah.
I don't.
Got it.
I can do without it.
Okay.
Got it.
Sign in.
Got it.
Oh, God, that was the neck. That said Cox, but that's okay, I think.
All right, no
Really?
big deal.
And the
Oh, right,
verification code.
Verification. Good. Allow.
Allow. Two.
There we go. Type that number.
Add items
Two.
one by one.
Yeah, you can do that too.
5. Okay.
Click on
Unexpected
it.
error occurred while signing in.
Oh God.
Okay.
Annoying. All right. Safari.
Oh, good lord.
Import. Oh, see, this allows HTML, which is what it was producing over there.
Oh. Well, because mine's too old. The software.
It's just annoying. All right, type your hardware password, please.
This one.
Yes. Oh, hold, stop, I'm sorry. Go to LastPass. I was in the wrong.
Wrong pew.
Yeah. Okay, so where is extension Safari extensions? I want to go to the App Store. That's why this is confusing. I want to go to your administration.
We're already in there.
No, this is the website. I want to do preferences. And then where's the extensions right here? Good. Okay. It wasn't even turned on. That's why.
Oh,
It's so silly. Okay.
well, at least you know what to look for.
Yeah, well, that's why preferences. Good. Now let's close. Oh, there it is. And it doesn't even look like the same. So, good. So you're signed in. Good. Now we're going to go. Now we're getting somewhere. Dismiss all this crap here. All items. Passwords. There's that one.
There might not be a lot in there.
No. Well, let's see.
They're all in my password on my iPad.
Open my vault. Okay, so this is what we want to do. All items. We're going to go
Bank account.
nope. We want to, where's the import function? Account settings. Come on. Where's the darn input? Security. No. Addresses. Notes. Passwords. Where's the input? Collapse. Oh, you know what?
Mm-mm.
Well, because I keep dealing with different versions of everything. Passwords.
I have passwords and notes.
Now I'm looking for the input version that's different over there.
Oh, okay, yes.
Where is it? Where is the input? Skill. Support, account settings. No, that's not what we want. Where's the darn import function? Home. Lock.
I think
Let me
I'm
sit
stepping on all your wires.
No, that's all right. Let's see here. Where is the import function? What? Yeah,
There was no back.
Oh.
I went to lean back.
Oh. Where's the darn support settings? Lock. Come on, LastPass. Why is there so much?
Oh, now I have to sign in again. God, if I can only remember how to get in.
Just slide up on that. I don't think we put a password on that. There you go.
Okay. Oh, isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Oh, let's not.
Yeah, that's why I left it off. I thought it was a good idea.
Okay. Import. We're pretty much done here. File.
Contacts. Oh, boy, there's all those contacts. Boy, oh boy. Close. Oh, I didn't want to close that one.
File.
Close.
Where's the damn import?
Log into LastPass. Why?
Oh, for that browser. Go ahead. Do it from
Okay.
that browser.
Oh, then you went away. You're so touchy. How do you want to open this? Chrome. Okay. I don't know where I am other than LastPass. Passwords. Let's just see what happens.
Why is the password? All passwords.
I don't know what that is.
Import.
Ah!
No, that's for the browsers. LastPass. Add items. Open vaults. Advanced options. Oh, Jesus. Okay, import. It's under advanced? Come on.
It's under advanced what?
That's so stupid. Alright. Here, let's do this. I'm going to do this. Your email works over here, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to email that CSV file over there because this is the one with all the history. LastPass is glitching. Something's
This,
glitching.
the iPad has the history,
Yeah,
not that one.
got it. Can you? Oh, you know what? We didn't set up your email over here. Can you type? We gotta go to iCloud.com. Come on. Type your hardware password, please.
Entry. Now this says password.
Yeah, the hardware password.
Okay. Continue.
Where were we that last
Skip the hassle of typing passwords and info. Try autofill.
Okay, we're logged in. You're good. Okay, so now we're gonna do inbox. Where's our send button here? Get a lot of email here. Where's our send button here?
Oh, send for email.
Yeah.
It should be a little thing up here. Tom, where's the send button?
Oh, this. Now I'm getting.
On your email that you've got? I'm
Oh,
sorry.
it's over here. God, Apple, you. Okay, what's your email, please?
Laura Lamping at
Thank you. I just got it.
Laura Laura
Laura.
LAMP
Oh, there we go.
iCloud.
Good. Okay, so we're gonna do. Send anyway. Okay, check your mail on that computer.
Yeah.
This
Okay.
is driving me nuts.
Go away.
Let
Go
me
away.
see. May I see?
Sure.
All right. So now we're gonna go here. Still syncing.
Can you add your passwords individually?
Yeah, you can. I'm just trying to make this as easy as possible. And all these apps, they're always updating and changing things that are just obnoxious. Okay.
And they change them too often,
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's almost like there's certain manufacturers that are smart enough building their cars, and they don't move certain controls for decades. And that's the
Right.
reason. You don't want to alienate someone who's comfortable with your platform. Okay, I just sent. Problem is, this machine is still 121. It's still syncing because you have so many tens of thousands of emails. I don't have access to the. Okay, yeah, you can just do this manually. We're just spinning our wheels. All I wanted
Yeah.
to do was. How frustrating. Sign into Chrome one more time. I mean, LastPass one more time. It looks like it's not signed into Chrome. We've done so much today.
Email address. Okay. Oh, don't go away. Okay. Oops. Why did you skip? I probably told you to, but I didn't mean to.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I think,
Yeah, we're just gonna. Yeah, this is.
so I'll just forget about this.
Yeah, you can do your passwords manually.
Yeah.
Master.
You can play with LastPass at home.
Okay, will do.
We're all getting frustrated at this point because. Quit Safari.
Okay, log in.
Yeah, so just use this machine until it dies, but this is part of our issue. I can't run the latest software on that. All right,
Okay.
so that's good.
So
Okay.
I've got this up.
Yeah, so now when you go to My Vault, you can manually add, or you saw how it behaves when you log into a company like this. Let's just try this. Let's go to Microsoft.com. So let's just sign into here. Oh, it's already signed in. Let's do this. Let's sign out temporarily. So that red implies that it's going to suck up that password upon your request. So we're going to sign in. Sign in.
Microsoft.
There.
Okay, but username
Add to
first.
LastPass. Good. You see how that works?
No.
Okay, so you see where it says add to LastPass?
Yes.
Live.com.
Okay.
So live.com is actually Microsoft. Again, another nomenclature issue where I only happen to know that live.com is Microsoft. So go ahead and type your iCloud email
My
right there because
email.
it populated as blank.
Oh, shoot. Very sensitive.
You know, you're going to have to get used to that different keyboard.
Oh, password, it's already
It's
there.
already populated. Add password. There we go. There. So now you got 2 in there. That's how that's going to behave.
Woohoo.
Oh, that was Edge. That's why you've also got. I wasn't even paying attention to which browser we were in there. So.
So if I go to
Oh,
here,
Chrome. That's what we were looking for. We got Chrome. Just pay attention to which browser you're using. Pin. We're going to set as default. Good. And then because Microsoft's feelings are hurt, they're trying to make it. They're gonna make us change all these stupid little details.
oh, wow.
But only a techie would recognize what they're doing here.
Oh, so I guess I was on Microsoft Edge, but I didn't know it.
Well, that's what it defaults to when you first set up a machine.
Oh,
Unless you
okay.
add a browser of preference. Yeah.
Interesting.
And then they want us to change all these little details because that's their ulterior motive. They all have ads that they sell through the browser. That's how that works. When you go to Chrome.com, the ads you get are from Google. When you go to Edge, the browser you get fed, the ads you get
Ads.
fed are from Bing.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. So you just have to pick your poison, unfortunately. There's no altruism in IT. So it's all, we need to get paid for these ads we're selling you.
Of course.
Yeah, okay, good. So now that's good. So now that you get a cloud account, you got LastPass, we got your Google account. So you say you don't have that many favorites because you don't do that much browsing, right?
Right.
So we have your email working and Outlook right here. And then there we go.
Now, if I'm going to go into LastPass and
Yeah.
add something though,
You want to do it manually?
yeah,
That's this app here.
install.
We already did this.
Okay.
I don't know if we actually hit finish. Yeah, see, it's already done. So LastPass, you can do it manually on the phone. There you go. Or you can do it manually on the computer here.
Then you put in the email again?
Sign in again.
Got it.
So it's another, oh my, there's so many places to sign into this stuff.
No, I
Password.
haven't forgotten my password.
Good. That's why they call it LastPass. You get it? Yeah, that one last password you should never have to deal with.
Ah, I fucked up on it. Excuse me.
It's all right. I've heard the word before.
Log in.
Good. Okay, so if you see, there's your live account, there's your Apple account. If you wanted to, you just hit this plus button. Again, the nomenclature's not obvious, but there you go. Just a generic password or a bank account, payment card.
Okay. And passwords. Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
got it. So,
Got it.
you know what I think I'm going to do? You can work off of this
Yes.
pin. There, that icon will be there now all the time.
Oh, okay.
Good. So now when you close it, that shortcut will always be there.
I won't have to sign in all
Right,
the time.
yeah. Good. Okay, so your email is going to take a while because you have so many tens of thousands of email. Microsoft Outlook is syncing still. So you have like 40,000 emails.
I shouldn't have that many.
Well,
And,
it's,
oh, they are picking up history, I bet.
yeah, history that's up in the cloud, yeah.
And they're picking them up from 21, which
Yeah.
I have them off of here.
All right, well, because
I
this
mean-
is a new installation, I mean, once it
Yes.
gets settled, it'll settle in.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
so,
fine.
Should
so
we
this,
check that and make sure it's gonna,
okay, so to do this, you have this adapter,
I
right?
do, yeah.
USB, okay, so you plug this in.
right?
I'll just show you how this works.
What are we doing?
I'm showing him how to, or you, how to back up the machine.
Oh.
So to back up this machine, you plug it in, the hard drive, and then this file history feature here.
I'm sorry, I couldn't tell what popped up originally.
Don't worry about it because I had to make it pop up.
Oh.
So file history is the utility I use to back up to this.
Oh.
We're going to turn this on. So now, just plugging this in, this file history will actually allow you to back up to the hardware.
Okay,
And obviously, the more stuff you have, the longer that'll take.
Of
Right.
course.
Yeah. So file history.
And it shouldn't take long. It's a new computer.
Right,
Well-
no, we moved stuff
We
over
moved
from the other
everything
machine.
over,
Right.
yes.
And we lost some things because it was a failed drive, but that's taken care of.
yeah, I mean, we got things off of this
Yeah.
because I had backed
You
up.
want to be
but-
gentle by doing that. That's don't smack that too hard.
Okay,
It's all right. Good. So that's good.
okay.
Okay.
Cool. So we got a handful of things done. Unfortunately,
Yes.
Apple caused us an hour of grief. So there you go.
And I remember you said, take this out.
Yes.
For it, because I could see how that would
Yes.
snap.
Now this is yours, correct?
Yes, that's mine specifically for these issues.
And this is yours, Tom.
What?
This pen would
Oh,
belong to you.
okay, okay.
My phone. My bill.
Okay, let me have the Dell.
Alrighty.
My drink. My iPad.
Got it. All right.
It's a collection. And we owe you what?
Well, let me figure
$1
that
million.
out. Yeah, right. Let me see.